as
Okay,
well.
I'm live now, twin. Hello, A the Ant. Meow, meow, meow to you as well.
Oh, dude. Top 10 things that didn't happen. It didn't go live on Twitch,
That's
but
extremely awkward,
it's
but
fine. It's fine. I can just make
it's
it
fine.
live on Twitch. We're good. Just like the 30th. Software and game development. Okay. I pushed up the op changes, by the way. I think I said
Okay.
that already.
Yeah, I'll pull those in just a second.
you.
We'll join this just room together.
Okay.
But yeah, looking
I
at.
pushed up the op changes, by the way.
Oh, I can hear I can hear you.
I think I said that already.
I think.
Someone has a stream open somewhere.
Oh, I have the stream open on
yeah,
my.
Yeah.
There we go. I accidentally left it open. I was popping out the chat and left it open. Silly me. What was I saying? Oh yeah, looking at like the analytics and stuff for the shorts and like which ones did well and which ones didn't. The number one thing is definitely just like how long you can get people to watch for.
Yeah, I mean that's just the whole thing with shorts.
Yeah.
Is stealing people's attention for enough time.
So basically making something that's short, and I think it's better to make something that's short and gets people to stay for the whole time rather than making something that's long and getting them to stay for like half of it.
Mm-hmm.
So like if I make a short that's like 5 or 10 seconds long, trying to get them to stay for at least like 7 to 8 seconds.
5 to 10 seconds long, get them to stay for 7 to 8. Yeah. If it's 5 seconds long,
or like
get them
6
to
or
stay, like,
7.
an extra couple seconds. 6 or 7.
Yeah, 6 or 7. Did I say the wrong order? I'm dumb. But whatever. But I think I accidentally did a really good job of that with the Salmon Storm because like it takes a second for it to like show up on screen, so you have to like wait. Meow. Worm backwards. Meow. It's so true. Oh, meow. Oh, that was awkward. That was very weird sounding.
So I think what we'll do really quickly, I want to look at this list of things. I think so multiple levels works. So this is definitely going in this section. Or it works with air quotes.
Works.
Do I move shop and money away or do I leave shop and money where it is? I don't know. Hello Liberty.
Can you turn
I must be live in order to start stream together. Yeah, I am. Twitch. I literally am live currently. Right? Master Liberty's talking in chat, which makes me think that I am. Oh, there we go. Can I share it now? No? Must be live in order to... Brother. Check out the software and give development stream from 2 minutes ago. Did it die? I don't understand. Am I not live on Twitch anymore?
Rip.
Oh, I guess I'm not. I'm live on YouTube, right? I didn't like accidentally close everything.
That would be kind of awkward.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, do it again, man. I don't really care. Whatever. Yeah, you got it. OBS. I believe in you. I shouldn't, but I do.
Do I need to rejoin the stream together?
Probably not. I just need to figure out why the fuck it's telling me that I'm not live.
Yeah, that's probably helpful.
Okay, it looks like I'm live now. Okay, there we go.
There we go.
Hello, Liberty. Sorry. I don't know what the hell was up with that. Why are you dropping beans all over the fucking place? Insane.
Crazy.
Okay. So the... Is that Lucky? Dude,
is that
I know
Lucky?
You.
I know
Lucky.
you.
Do you actually know Lucky?
Yes. Well, I don't know him personally, but I've watched his videos all the time.
Well, I don't know him personally either. Yeah. He did the series on like all the different nodes and things in Godot, right?
He's like so cool.
That'd be so embarrassing if that was the wrong person, but I'm fairly certain.
No, that's the right one. That's the right one.
Yeah.
Of course, it's the right one.
Yeah, I know you. The goat. Let's see. So we have about a week for our deadline for this.
Yes.
So I think I'm gonna move shop and money back because I ended up doing the level stuff first. Yeah. However, there's the enemy variations that we wanted to knock out. Did you had a list of these, right? In
yeah.
Here. Did
They
any of
were
this
just
need
like
code
really
from me?
fast ideas. Do any of
Okay.
for what?
For anything in here.
Anything.
What needs code? Any of these?
I mean,
that we wanna
probably
do for
all
this
of
month,
it
what
needs code, but what needs code from you is a different question. Let's see. The enemies if you want to maybe help with, because those are probably like the scariest for me. The rest I can probably figure out some of, and then just like ask, hey, how conceptually should I do this? Because most of these I can probably practically do, I'll just need to like ask. Like,
okay, yeah.
High level implementation stuff, the enemies just like scare me. Because, I don't know why.
No, I get it. So do we have the designs for these guys already? Like, what do we want these to behave as?
Like the art? Yeah, I can find
art and also just like behavior. So like the spider. I'm assuming this is going to be like the spider from the original playtest.
My idea was
Game Jam.
Is he would shoot like bouncing fireballs, kind of like Mario fireballs.
Okay.
But that was just like
so
an initial idea. Yeah.
Okay.
So he like hops around and then shoots like little fireballs. Unless you have better ideas, because the issue is if we just do him just like before, he would be pretty much the same as the slime, where he just like hops and deals damage, which I don't want.
Fair enough. Yeah.
So like that, the attack can be basically whatever. If you think of a different idea.
Yeah.
I just don't want it to be the same as the slime.
What if he was a guy that tried to like run away? Like a little bit. Like he tried to keep distance from the player.
Yeah, maybe. Or he could shoot like arcing bullets. Like kind of like mortars. That kind of go like up and over.
Like Sylvanos's neutral special from Rivals of Either One.
Yeah, I know what that is, definitely.
Flying guy with laser, I'm assuming is going to be similar to the flying fire projectile guy.
Yes.
Fire bat. Except that he's going to shoot a laser.
What color do you think should be laser? Like the laser pointer, probably similar.
Oh, it's going to be basically the same as the laser pointer.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think it's going to like sweep the? Well, do you think he's going to like wind it up and like shoot it in a spot, or?
Yeah, I think just like a quick pulse. I think him like holding it down would be a little bit powerful.
Okay.
So not like the what is it? What is the name? The
Beholster.
Yeah, Beholster, that's what it is. I was gonna say Beholster, but that didn't sound right for some reason. But yes, like him.
So what is ground guy with projectiles, by the way? What's the difference between him and Spider?
That's like the regular ground guy, but he shoots some kind of projectile. I have no clue. That was just like a really fast idea.
Okay.
So maybe he could. I'm not sure.
I also would like to maybe, if we have time, I would like to fix a few things about the current ground guy. Like indicators. I don't know how we want to indicate he's about to attack. What are we thinking about?
Yeah, I think his attack might need a little work just in general. I mean,
we could do something similar that I did with the worm, actually, where it like shoots out like a little pulse.
Maybe I like the idea of having them all kind of be all on a cohesive kind of style, so they kind of combine together.
Okay, that's fair.
Spider leaves sticky webs that slow the player. Yeah, we could make it like the Gungeon Spider, where it like has like webs, but that would also be kind of complicated.
Oh, I don't have this bookmarked. Oh my god. Platformer pathfinding. Do we have that? Does anyone have that bookmarked by chance? Because I would like to do that. Possible.
Platforming pathfinding.
I think it might be this video.
That scares me. Our Northern Lion hasn't responded to my post.
What do you mean Northern Lion hasn't responded?
I posted on Twitter.
Did you like? How did you post it?
I said at Northern Lion, play my indie game.
Okay, you're not gonna see it then. Yeah, you fucked up.
I know. That's the joke.
Do you know why you fucked up?
No. Isn't it posted on Blue Sky?
No, actually.
I'm joking.
I don't know how to explain this, but from what I've seen, people have actually talked about this. If you start a post with an @
Oh,
it just will not be seen by anybody.
Yeah.
So a lot of people will do a period space and then @ which is so fucking weird,
That's
and I
so
don't get
dumb.
it.
Salmon Storm
Yeah.
buff when? Salmon Storm's already
Hello, Elvin.
goated.
How you,
What do you
how you doing?
mean?
Salmon Storm does not need a buff. Salmon Storm is broken as fuck.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Okay, I wanted to look at this video that I pulled up this one. So what this guy's doing is creating like a pathfinding
Oh, I
thing
think I
for
remember seeing
Godot.
this video.
Yeah, someone sent this in my chat a while back. But effectively they just place, I don't know if he's gonna show the grid points now. It's basically just like a bunch of points scattered where things can go. Oh, there it was. See? They did that. Which allows things to kind of pathfind up to where they need to go. I don't know how that's gonna work.
Yeah.
I'm very interested in this though. So I'm gonna watch this a little bit.
Right.
And then I'm probably gonna adapt some of it.
Okay. I'm trying to think which enemies would be best for the different variants. I'm thinking maybe like the blue one for this beam, but I'm not sure. Also, now that I'm thinking about it, do we want all enemy attacks to be the same color?
Preferably something distinct from player attacks.
Yeah. Because I think I was initially thinking the enemy attack would be like the color of the enemy themselves, but that's probably not a good idea. I don't think this would work well in Dante's 9, but for games with a cat player character, love an enemy with a laser pointer that makes the player move toward the attack. That would be really funny. But yeah, that would probably be a little difficult to do. Ooh, or if we wanted to, instead of the ground guy, we could do the worm variant that I thought of, where he like teleports around.
The worm variant you thought of where he teleports around?
Yeah, so the idea for it was a bookworm where he teleports out of a book and it'll be in the library area. So like the book like opens up and he comes out of it, and then like he goes into another book and then will like pop up in different places.
I see.
So it kind of like masks it off
cool, yeah.
the other end of the book as he like goes into it.
Yeah.
What are the idea structures for enemy variants? I don't know. That's what we're trying to figure out.
The idea structures for enemy variants, at least from what I understand, is going to be something like we would just want like the same general idea of the enemy, so that you know that this guy's going to be someone who's flying around and shooting, but like maybe their attack specifically is different.
Pretty much, yeah.
Like for the flying fire guy, instead of him shooting like the burst of 3, maybe he shoots like a continuous stream of like slower but like continuous for a few seconds. Or maybe he shoots the laser, things like that. Or like the ground enemy who, instead of doing like a slash, maybe does like a dash or something. Like something that meaningfully changes them in like a very relatively quick to understand way. And then like the actual like enemy, the full enemy ideas would be like, this is just like new behavior. This is like someone who you see, like the worm and the ground guy and the flying guy are all 3 different distinct enemies. I don't think we have enemy variants currently, do we?
No.
I guess like the spider and the ground guy were kind of enemy variants in a way.
Not
because they would just like
really.
slash whenever they get close to you.
I mean, yeah, but that was just more because I was lazy and didn't make them very different.
Carry
like,
enemy attack patterns would fit this game well. Absolutely agree. That's why our first boss is a giant worm. This guy has never even played Terraria, by the way.
Yeah, that is not true. I have played Terraria.
Okay, well, you
just
haven't
not
played
very
it far.
much.
What was the the last boss you got to?
I'm trying to remember now. I know I beat the eyeball thing.
I can list them off. Yeah, I can list them in order if you want.
Okay, yeah, sure.
So, like from like maybe not easiest to latest, but like usual progression is like Eye of Cthulhu.
I beat that one.
Skeletron. That's the guy at the dungeon.
Beat that one.
Were you a Corruption or Crimson World? Was there like
Crimson.
Evil Biome Purple or
Crimson?
Okay, it was red. Then the Brain of Cthulhu.
I beat that one.
I imagine you didn't beat the Queen Bee. She's kind of like a side grade, not like mainline.
So
boss.
I think I found where that was. I don't think I beat her.
Fuck, what the hell is after that? Oh my god.
I beat the.
Is it really? It's not just Wall of Flesh, right?
No, I beat the whatever army thing guy.
Army, yeah, that's like a little different.
I beat that one.
Yeah.
That's probably. I think that's
army.
probably where I like didn't know where to go from there.
Yeah.
I then gave up.
Oh, I mean, I can tell you the. You want to know the progression after that?
What?
You dig to hell, all the way down, and then you go to the underworld. Did you make it to the underworld?
No. Oh, yes.
Okay. When you're in the underworld, there are these demons that fly around that have like dolls in their hands. Specifically, there are ones with dolls. And if you take that doll and throw it into lava, it will kill the guide and spawn the Wall of Flesh.
Yeah, I definitely would have figured that out.
Which is like that's like the major boss progression of like now your world goes from regular to hard mode.
Yeah,
so it like
I definitely would have figured
changes the rest of your world. Yeah. It's a little interesting.
A little interesting. Will there be any underwater mechanics? No.
God, I hope not.
Absolutely not.
Yeah, actually, we're gonna have levels where the top of the level is exposed to air and everything else is underwater, and you have to go up and like breathe air every few seconds.
No. Water damages you, yeah.
What is this? What are we doing? I actually don't 100% understand. I mean, I understand some of what they're doing here. Oh, what the hell did you do? Wait.
These cats hate water. Do cats hate water?
Most cats do, yeah.
Yeah.
Did you wait? What do you mean? You asked if cats hate water? Bro had no idea.
I mean, I hate water, but I mean, I'm not a cat.
Yeah, okay, buddy. Base position, yeah, sure. Cell type is a function that he made that does what? Oh, okay, I see, kinda. A little bit. Oh, this is okay. This is just showing what like sides have filled in tiles. So like this is a wall or like a.
Okay, well I'm just gonna start working on some of the other random stuff that we have in here. Just gonna do it in order. So first we start on the auto turret.
Do you think I should try working on this today? Do you think I should try getting ground pathfinding in?
I don't know.
What are you?
Because like it's useful, but
yeah, I'll just make. How about this? I'll make a couple of changes to the ground guy currently. I'll come back to this at some point. I want to make sure that there's two issues: slimes and ground guys can't drop through platforms. They should be able to do that, so I'm gonna do that. Where is this getting the? I think this is in the. Is this music playlist public? It is, I think, but it's not fully filled out. I've been slacking on that. I believe it's public. If I go to my YouTube, I think it's a playlist.
If you ever have water in the game, even like reskin lava, it'd be fun to have a boss that makes water rise in the arena as an attack.
Yeah,
that is a good idea because we probably will have lava somewhere.
Yeah, that only has 14 videos out of the probably like 100 songs that I have in this playlist. I need to just spend like an hour one day and fill that like all of the music out. Fire slime. Oh, magma slime enemy. I see. Okay, what all is this guy doing? How are you handling your movements? What the hell is going on here?
What the hell?
Enemy info movement direction. Okay, word. I see that.
What the hell? What the hell?
Sorry, buddy.
Sorry, my bad game. My apologies.
I would also.
Umbrella. This is not an umbrella twin. I don't know. Is it umbrella?
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Does this have access to the movement driver thing? Where are we doing that again? Info movement direction. You. Hard is player dot. I hate that we have to do that. Does this not just have access to a player? It does. If player dot. Do we just want it to fall down anytime the player is like slightly below them?
Like drop 2 platforms?
Yeah.
Probably. No. It's very helpful. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, that's
Octopus.
fair.
Yeah, this is an octopus.
I'll just say that if I'll do that for now. What's this? What?
How many
is this?
octopodes will be in Dante 9? I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm not making the game.
That's true, yeah. He's actually just making the art, and there's actually like a shadow community of people making the game.
This is true, actually.
Yeah, this is actually a AAA game, and we're just like trying to make it seem like an indie game so that we can get the support of
Wait, why
indie
haven't they
developers
done that
everywhere.
yet? Oh wait, it's called Expedition
Player
33.
Expedition 33. They literally have, yeah. Oopsies.
Sorry.
No, that's actually fucking real though.
That's really fun.
Expedition 33 is no longer Game of the Year, by the way. That was on a different thing. That wasn't the actual Game Awards.
Yeah, not the real Game Awards.
Not that, not that the actual Game Awards actually matters, but...
Yeah, they do actually win.
Okay, buddy. If they mattered, then why did Expedition 33 win everything?
Yeah, you got a point to win.
What am I fucking doing? What am I doing? What am I
Game
doing?
Awards suck this year. They literally do every year. What did you expect?
That's like kind of true, yeah. Constant drop through. Mask is 0B001.
I've never watched them before. Okay, yeah, they're always that bad. Just in case you're wondering.
What layer is this on? Drop through platform.
I had no
Tell me, where
expectation.
are you? Drop platform is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth bit should be set and nothing else.
I was only watching the Lego Batman 4. That's crazy.
Are we not reading movement direction here? We are. It's right here. You.
Is that a tripod? Kind of. It's supposed to be like a turret. The base for a turret. From a turret will like stick out of here like this. Like this big gun. And it goes like... I guess it doesn't
What do
actually
those
look
remind
too
me of?
terrible. What do what?
That reminds me of something from a game. I don't remember what game though. You'll have to...
Okay.
I'm sure it's somehow Terraria.
Yeah, it's probably Terraria Twin.
You're like always copying Terraria without meaning to.
This is
With
true.
like really big quotes. So this disables this. And
When I
then
accidentally
just-
use the exact same sound as whatever is in Calamity Mod.
That was really funny. It's for the Wolfram something. I don't exactly remember. I've actually never done anything with Wolfram anything, so I didn't even notice it.
It's really funny though, because some guy in my TikTok comments was convinced that I stole it, so I was like, I literally have it right here.
Yeah, that's funny.
And then
Thinking of
we
your
both thought
Terraria
it
now,
was really
Fire?
funny.
Dude, Terraria is so fun. I really want to like learn how to teach people the game.
Yeah, because I want to
Because it
learn how to
is-
play Terraria.
Yeah, because it is a really, really good game, but like nothing sucks more than playing a game with a friend who knows everything about a game, and so they just run ahead without like any concern of you.
Many such cases, Twin.
Let's put magma slime there. You should fall through the platform now. Oh shit, you did. Fire. However, I actually need you to be a little bit different.
Use some color. What color should you be? You're gonna be on red team.
So are you just like making this guy like without like thinking about it? You're just like, fuck it, I'm gonna draw this, and you just are doing it until it works.
Yep. I mean, I
That's
pulled up like a
crazy.
couple. I looked at like a couple references really quick on like Pinterest, but there wasn't really anything that I liked, so I was like, I'm just gonna do whatever and wait.
Mm-hmm. Find what room is it? Room 7? No. Room 3? No. Room 6? No. 5? Nope. I'll go through all of them before I get the right number.
Yeah.
Wait, did the room not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? I won't say it.
6, 7.
It's not
Sorry,
room 5. It's not room 6.
my bad, gang.
Okay, not room 3. Am I like stupid? What room is it's room 1. Okay. I think I accidentally just skipped it. This is the room that will be my testing chamber for slimes. So this guy should fall through the platform. Yay! Ouch. And then this guy should also fall through the platform. Oh, that's fire. You check that out. So if I'm up here, I actually haven't checked it up here, so hopefully it works. Nope, it didn't. Why actually didn't it? Oh, oops. Else enemy info dot. Ooh, should be. Oh, actually, I can just do this. I think I'm gonna remake the game in Bevy, by the way. Is that chill with you? Is that
That's
fine?
really funny. Some guy actually commented on TikTok and was like, I'm a Rust developer. Do you want to like collaborate? And I was like,
Yeah, no, yeah, this is made in Bevy, actually.
yeah. Really funny. It's like, I got bad news for you, Twin. I don't know what Rust is.
It's a game made by Face Punch. Those are also the devs of Gary's Mod.
I didn't actually know that, like, until very recently, that Rust was made by Gary.
Yeah, Newman. Numanos. What the fuck? Dude, okay, that works. Check that out, JW. So here's slime. He's
Hello,
fine.
slime.
He's working. He's doing good. Look at that slime. And then I go down here, and he comes with.
Oh, let's go fire.
You called them magma, but
Make
yeah.
the turret rusty. Okay. How do I do that? don't know
I
how
thought
to
that said
draw.
make the turret furry whenever I first read it, and I was like,
Yeah,
damn.
you would see that. You would see that.
Yeah, because it's in your Twitch chat. Of course I would. Everybody in your Twitch chat be talking about furry shit all the time.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay, I need to do this for the ground guy as well. I should actually. How about this? util.gd. You are going to have a new function called static func. What would it be? It's like set drop through, probably, or like, yeah, we'll just say set drop through. On this guy, which is a physics body 2D. Do not say "hear me out."
Don't ever
we were
say
just
that.
talking about furry things. Do not say. Okay, all right. If B and body dot collision mask.
Here we go. Is this like
So
rusty
if we're
enough?
enabling it,
I think that looks pretty
then I
good.
want to enable the drop through mask. Otherwise, I would like to set this to. I love writing bitwise operators because they look really ugly, but I know what they do.
Then I don't.
Mm-hmm.
I'd say I'm pretty happy with this. Looks pretty cool.
Util dot set drop through or body or target to drop through. I don't want to keep writing that code over and over. So now, where is ground enemy fire? You need to be fixed because you are like fucked up and evil. Why does this guy have a... Oh, yeah. Sorry. My fault.
It's your fault, this is true.
Yeah.
Okay.
If
Okay,
the
separate
y
this
is greater than 50. What are you doing, actually?
What is
Anything going on?
arrival?
What
I'm sorry.
is a Dante?
Dante 9.
What is Orion? In parentheses, Laterno.
Nobody knows.
That's Northern Lion, by the way, if you didn't know.
Northern Lion.
Northern
Wait,
Lion.
really?
Yeah, he's Lion.
Who is Dante? I don't know. Don't ask me.
What is a Dante? Meow. Oh yeah, I guess you guys should prepare for this. We're gonna have a competition before the game releases, to see who can do the best meow. And then we're gonna put the winner in the game, for one of the skins.
I forgot about this one. But yeah, I guess we're doing that.
Oh shit, dude, look at him shake, dude, he's angry. Look at him fucking, dude, he's fucking angry. I fucked up. I made him so angry. I did something, but he's so pissed. I know what I did wrong, but it's funny because he shakes every now and then. Oh no, yeah. Dude, he's angry. Yeah.
Raging. Bro is bitlytic when you play the Rivals of Aether 2.
True. Oh shit, dude! I gotta show you this. Did Nasita send you any gifts or anything from Rivals today?
No.
Oh my god, dude! He showed me one. This is so fucking funny to me. All right, let me know when you're looking.
I'm looking.
His name is 6'7" Slime God. Okay, all right. I just want you to watch this.
Okay.
Did you see it?
What was that?
Because Raster does a little hop whenever he walks.
Why? How did that not hit? There's
He
no way
walked
that
over
doesn't
it.
hit.
He walked over it, dude. Also,
That's
I just want to point out,
evil.
look at how quickly this Clarion does a back air, land, and then does a fucking down tilt immediately after. 0 in lag, by the way. Like, what is that?
That's evil. That's like
That's so much.
evil.
That's so fast. That's so fast.
My Crag can't do that.
The way he. Also, like.
Actually, Crag probably.
Yeah,
can't
this
do
doesn't hit
that.
Raster. Surprise, bitch. If I did a short hop, that would have fucking domed me. I would have died. That would have tippered me. Yeah. Anyways. That's my issue with Rivals. That's why I get so pissed. Why is my phone lit up? Hello. Oh, dude. Thanks. Oh, I should actually plug my phone in as fuck right now.
Yeah, you should.
Do I have a charger nearby? I don't. Okay, well, I'll plug it in later then.
It's over. Total phone death.
Yeah, whenever I get hungry and want to go get a snack, I'll plug my phone in whenever I do that, if I remember.
Yeah, so you can eat your phone.
What? Yeah.
So you
Yeah,
get hungry.
that's exactly. Yeah, I hungry. Oh, that looks really cool. It's not supposed to, but that does look really cool whenever there's like the dithered foreground in front of this. It looks sick.
That's weird. But
I don't. Why does this guy inch forward? I always forget. Oh, it's because of this. There we go. So he should no longer inch forward now. Oh, I lied. Why the fuck is he doing that? You should go to attack. Oh, I know why. It's because in here I tell him to move for a single fucking frame in the direction so that he faces the player. Fuck. Interesting. Wait, these guys have like an aim, don't they? They do have an aim direction. Why the fuck am I not just using that? What? Literally, huh? Enter info dot aim direction dot x is equal. Well, I'll just surprise.
I just realized, is the gun set up in a way? What? This is.
Is it set up in a way? What's the way?
Okay, no, extend equipment. So I was thinking if the gun was made in a way that I could turn the gun into or turn it, use the turret, use the gun scene to make the turret. But no, I don't think that would work.
Oh, no. However, I was gonna split that class up a little bit so that it had like a projectile firing part, and then also like
because
the hit scan part is completely separate from that, like everything in there. But that controls a lot of the projectile stuff. So actually, what the fuck is all in that class? Base gun ability. What all are you doing? Because it's a lot. So it's doing put away animation. That has to stay there. This could be moved to a... Oh yeah, this entire S function, this 50 line function could be moved down into a projectile handler. The Gibbs spawner should
So
be
should I
in the
maybe
Gibbs
wait
spawner
to do the
class.
turret?
Oh no, you can be. You're fine to just do that already.
Do what?
You're fine to make the turret.
Okay. I just
it'll
wasn't
probably
sure
just-
if this kind of stuff
Yeah.
would be useful. I don't. I need to
I don't
code more because I
think so.
just I just need to start decoding.
I believe flying enemy fire has flying
Yeah,
flying
they do, yeah.
fire projectile enemy.
Mm-hmm.
He has this projectile shooting component, which takes in the projectile info for this thing.
Okay, then yeah, that should work fine.
Yeah, it just doesn't have a scene on it, which you probably want, but whatever.
Yeah, and also want it to be able to take in the card info and things like that.
Yeah.
So I might just make a custom
true.
thing really quick. Probably
Oh yeah,
won't be
this
too
thing.
hard.
Wait, this thing needs to know about the card, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it needs to. I'll probably have it scale the bullets based on like the size.
Yeah, I think you can extend. Is it card ability? I don't believe so. But maybe it might. Almost. That doesn't exist anymore. Most of this doesn't exist anymore. Actually.
And also,
card ability
I need to figure out if there's anything else I need to do to make summon cards work properly.
Yeah. Card attack is what I have this thing handling, but this is specifically, I guess, this is mainly for things that have.
Yeah. I don't think
actually, this
I
is
think
probably
this
fine.
is. I don't.
I think you'd be fine to extend off this, but yeah.
I don't see what
has...
at all is useful on that though. That I can't just use the regular card instance or whatever. Wait, what is it?
Because this is for the turret that you're spawning, right?
Yeah.
Yes, this isn't something the player will be handling. This is like functionally similar to like the candy corn or like a thrown brick.
Yeah.
Kind of. Where it's like this has a reference to the card. I don't know how I feel about this still, but I kind of like
use
it.
like the
idea.
base ability. What is it? Base ability. Or what? What is it called?
Which one are you looking
base
for?
Ability
are you looking
class?
for the thing you hold? Card ability is
card ability. That's what it is. Yeah, I usually just use that, and that works fine.
Okay, that's fine. Probably.
Because like, what is there in that isn't in card ability that I would use?
The ability in the automatic doing damage attack
Which
handler
like I'm
dot
not
hit.
gonna do because it's a projectile. So
yeah, whatever.
Usually I just use card ability because that just has like the most basic.
Did I fix this? No, I didn't do shit. What is this doing? Where is your sprite being set? Is it you? It's based on body velocity. Is this a... Oh, flip sprite. I see.
Yeah.
You know what I can do? I'm going to extend this class. I'm so sorry. What the fuck? I didn't know that was a thing that I could do. That's actually crazy.
Or on the card resource, do you have an option for whether it spawns it on the... Does it always spawn the thing on the player now? I haven't touched this in forever. Like when you use a card, does it always add the scene to the player?
I want to say the answer is no. I mean, I would... what does the soul projector do?
Yeah, that's a good...
Because that one... Do you have an activate?
Yeah, that does just spawn it.
Yeah, so this doesn't actually get put as a child of the player now. Is there a flag on that? I don't remember. I think I removed that.
Yeah, I don't know how it works. Is this just like top level or something dumb like that?
Is it? I don't think so.
Maybe.
Then the new question is, how does
a rigid body?
Well, let's find out. How about this? I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna spawn. Oh fuck. Sorry, I was doing something and you need to be killed.
Oh, it reparents it to the current room. On ready.
I see.
Which, yeah, that works, but probably works better than like making a separate scene to spawn in the other scene.
Yeah.
So, I like this, but that works. Okay.
We are back at it again, dude.
Hmm?
There are two different flip sprite classes now.
Nice.
I don't know when this happened, but apparently it did.
We'll just make this guy a rigid body, just like the soul
Yeah.
projector.
I can tell you made this one though because the class name was after extends.
Arr. This guy hates me.
This is true.
What folder do I put card stuff in?
What is this?
Summon. There
Is
we
this
go.
a thing?
They got it.
Is
Never
this
mind,
the
I
thing
found it.
respawning? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, is this the ability that's being added to the player, or is this the object that's in the... I guess there's not a difference. Never mind. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about my question. Just do whatever you were going to do.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll figure out answers on my own.
Now that I'm thinking about it, if this is a summon, then wouldn't the soul projector be a summon? But I'm not gonna worry about it. I think my classification would be things that can take damage. But now that I think about it, then the salmon would have to take damage. So I'm just not gonna have set classifications, and I'm just gonna vibe set the card types because they don't really actually mean that much. They're just categorization.
Terrific.
Yep.
Could your
Unless you have better
classification
ideas.
be spawn things that attack enemies?
That could work, but then there's the
Your,
one that
yeah,
orbits
the jelly or the
and,
blocking,
like,
whatever.
which we could just make that a green card then, but
Maybe the soul projector should be a purple card.
yeah, but we need more green cards. We'll figure it out. It's not that hard to change this like, pillar and things like that. Of all things to change, that's like the easiest.
Add a ready function to this. I don't feel like assigning this every time this gets used. Not body. Body equals owner as character money. Sick. All right. Terrific. So body dot velocity is greater than 0. Sure. Okay. So you're doing all the things that you need to do. That's terrific. What is visual? What? Is it this always just assigned to yourself? Oh. Oh, why did... That's an interesting one. JW, can I ask you a question that you may or may not know the answer to? So, there's this component here called flip sprite. Is there a reason that this takes in a reference to the visual and isn't just the script attached to visual?
I don't think so. I think so that way if the visual had its own script, you could do that as well. I think that's why. Because if you're flipping something that already had a script on it, you could flip it.
I see, that makes sense.
Yeah. I think that's why I
think
did
for
that.
something like this, if you don't mind, I want to run an idea by you. What are the chances that you would be okay with making it so that it's like this? So that the flip sprite is kind of a component of the visual, and then instead of assigning the visual, you could override it, or otherwise you could do like, if not visual, visual is get parent. That way.
Yeah, that works.
Okay, because then you can just like attach it to whatever you want the visual to be.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I just kind of like that because I don't feel like it needs to be like a completely separate thing just on the floating.
No, that's fair. And I got a nice water bottle for Christmas, so now I actually drink water. Isn't that weird?
Wow. I can't believe it. He actually drinks water now.
I know, it's crazy.
Terrific. Okay, so does this guy work? I know. Also, Benny VV eating popcorn. My goat.
The goat. Meow, 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 meow.
I need to reset my main scene to the starting room.
Sorry.
No, it's okay, man. Spit your shit to win. Or something.
Meow, meow,
Oh,
meow,
he's tiny.
Oh.
Why are you tiny?
What is Why does he look like that?
Why is he tiny? Oh, because it sets the scale to 1 or -1. Because the salmon has its sprite size set to 4, but the enemy has his visual set to 4. How about this, buddy? I don't feel like dealing with like the semantics of which one is which. I don't trust me or you to be consistent. So I'm going to say starting scale is going to be starting scale is equal to visual.scale.x. And then you will be that. So what is instant? Oh, instant is okay, I see. So I can probably factor this out into its own method down here. Not method, but like this. Set you to target scale. Set you to target scale. Yes, I think that works. Also, Benny VV, what is your favorite evolution? I have a guess based on all of the emotes you've ever sent in my chat, but just curious. Has he always behaved that way? Let me go grab the current build of Dante's 9 and try this out. D Godot builds Dante playtest 3. Toss this bitch over here. No, okay, so that sprite actually did something different. I see.
That's crazy.
Oh, because this.
Quinn.
All right, buddy. You're getting put in the slaughterhouse. Sorry.
What?
So the problem is that this is based on velocity, which is great, but I don't want that. When the H flip a lot, they become really hard to see. That's true.
I thought I had
This
an
is true.
option for manually flipping it, but maybe I didn't.
No, I think it's fine because I've got a couple of things that I want to do. Like specifically, I want to have a function called is flipped, or like should flip. Probably should flip. Maybe. And this will just by default return body.velocity.x is less than 0. And then this will be called here. And then what I want to do is I want to extend this class and call this enemy lip sprite. There we go. And so the enemy will actually be based on their aim direction, which this guy will set based on what? If he's still in this state, info dot aim direction is equal to this thing. I'm also kind of surprised that these don't use like tweens. I feel like a tween would go fucking crazy on this.
Maybe.
Like,
I think that's also like before I knew how tweens worked, so.
Probably, yeah. It's just doing like a lerp. I'll try a tween actually as well. Because yeah, like Cybern mentioned, whenever they H flip a lot, they become really hard to see. Yeah. Yeah, they become very, very thin. Yeah, an aggressive curve. That's why I was thinking tweens. So I was like, we could just test it really quickly. Of just like setting the ease mode to like ease out with like a transquint or something, which would make it like. Also, you said always had choice paralysis in the game. Slap an Everstone on an EV. That's evil. I mean, that's like fair, you know. Does EV get any cool moves later on that would be locked by like evolving? Actually,
No.
do not know. No? Okay.
No, I don't know. Don't ask me.
Oh, shit. Oh, I've got him going the other way. Dude, look at him go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, he's moving. He's grooving. Just, you know, in the wrong way. Look at him go.
Whoa, bro, he's grooving.
Dude, it's sick. I fucked something up. Obviously.
Obviously.
Obviously, I should be making this the opposite direction, and now he should face the... Well, What? Aim direction is less than 0. That should have at least flipped it. I don't know what. Hold on. Console.print enemy.enemy info dot aim direction. And also I want to see what your movement direction is. What you got going on? Oh wait, I'm stupid.
Yeah.
I'm dumb, I think. Lots of cases.
Many cases.
Me whenever I look at my CSGO inventory.
Wait, that's kind of funny.
Ooh. Thanks, dude. What the fuck do you mean?
I need more cases.
Visual is null? Why and who? Self, body visual. Freddy should have been called here. Why didn't we? Oh, oops. Sorry. I didn't call super. My fault. I kind of wish there was a way to show that you don't want, like, either that you don't want to call super or that super isn't currently being called. Because I find myself sometimes just like forgetting to call the base class constructor.
Mm-hmm.
Or not constructor, but the ready. Oh shit, dude, he's going crazy with it. Okay, so this works whenever he's in follow mode. Okay, sick. I just need to make it so that whenever he's in wander mode. It's just the moonwalk cat now. Dude, he's moonwalking. He's kind of grooving. He was kind of like mogging the fuck out of me.
I just realized I can't share bits. Yeah, I think that's because I'm not like affiliate or whatever. Maybe I should do that.
Yeah. No, that's
Maybe
such
I
a bad idea. Okay,
Katie
you know
says
what?
it's a bad
People
idea,
present
then
present
probably should.
arguments for and against this. I've been saying that JW shouldn't go to affiliate and I shouldn't go to affiliate on Twitch because it requires you to run ads. And if you open up someone's stream and they have ads, it's like you're less likely to just watch. And also it's like kind of would be disrupting some of the streams. Do you think that either of us would get more out of it? Because, I mean, like, if... I don't know how much you would get for being affiliate, but... I mean... It's kind of your decision because of, like, money-wise. I'm like, I don't care enough about whatever would come from that, but I don't know what your...
I mean, if I was a little bigger,
feelings
maybe,
are on
but,
it.
like, I don't have...
It does unlock emotes, yes. So that unlocks emotes, and it unlocks bits, and... What is the thing? It unlocks bits. It unlocks channel points. It unlocks emotes. But it also, yes. So it, from what I understand, if you become affiliate, anytime someone opens up your stream, you will get an ad. Or if you run ads, it only runs ads whenever you specifically choose. So it would either be, we would have to choose when to run it, or it would just run whenever people open the stream, which I would hate it for it to be people opening the stream, because whenever I open a stream, if I'm like unsure and then I get hit with like a 3-minute long Coca-Cola ad, I'm like, I don't want to, I don't care enough. That's because I have ADHD brain. Unless there's a way to just disable ads, but I don't think that there is, unfortunately. Because yeah, that is also a thing of like emotes would be cool to have, and like channel points and like predictions or whatever. I don't know if we get predictions from affiliate actually. I don't know.
Probably, I don't know.
You'll actually do the on-join ads. I think it's either you do the schedule ads or you do join ads.
Could you just be saying things with zero proof?
Okay, dude. Oh my god. Does Twitch affiliate pause ads? Bum, 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 bum. Okay, yes. So what this person said 8 months ago is if you're not affiliate, there's no ads. If you're an affiliate streamer, you can choose to either run ads or not. If you run 3 minutes of ads in an hour, that will disable the pre-rolls for that hour, and then you have to do it again the next hour, which is not bad. But I'm like, eh. So I think it definitely depends on you, JW, if you decide to do it. I'm not going to, because I don't care enough of the things for it. Yeah, that's true. Emotes would be cool, and like channel points would be cool, but that's about it. It's pretty toxic, a little bit, yeah. Unless you're talking about me, at which point, yeah, you're also right. One thing that I've seen is this a Steam game or is this just like a thing that you can open up? Oh, is this by the... These aren't like the Gartic phone people, are they? I don't know. I don't think so. There's this game called Word... Ugh, I don't know why the fuck I said it like that. Words on Stream. This thing. Which whenever you like set up your ads, you can just have it so that people who are playing or who are watching the stream whenever ads are playing would just like, oh my god, I hate this embedded player. I can't turn down the volume. It just like pops up like a word search game that you can choose to opt into, and then people can type in chat, which is pretty fun.
Maybe someone commented on the edit that I made and said he's only gonna play if you can pick from 3 things.
Oh, dude, they got some fucking terrific news. Wait, was that on TikTok or was it on Shorts?
It was on TikTok.
Oh, dude, you can reply to comments on TikTok, so you gotta like select the comment and then reply with the video that's I got some great news for you, fam.
Oh, I just replied saying you can.
No, dude, you gotta do the video because it'll show up if the comment will be at the top, so people watch the first one and then they open the comments and then there's a second.
You can reply with images.
You can reply with videos. You can reply with your own videos. Like you can make a video reply on TikTok.
I did not know you could do that. I've literally never seen that.
Mm-hmm. What am I doing now?
Here, I'll take a picture real quick and send it.
This guy works. This guy works, right? You're gonna like flip around whenever you come back this way. Yeah, terrific. Okay. I need to make this guy... Oh, I wanted to make sure that whenever he goes to attack, he doesn't... Oh, shit, he's going the other way. Ooh. Beautiful. Attack dot... Weapon dot direction dot X. Enemy pointing towards player. I thought that you would be... Whatever. Am I like stupid or something?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, the answer is yes. Enemy pointing towards player. I do want this to go in the same direction, so why is this not... This should flip. Oh, I'm like... That. There we go. I think that's what I want. Right? So this would be... Should flip if it's to the left, and then to the right. Yeah, duh. We do some smart things around here sometimes, and then other times we do not.
True.
Okay, are you gonna face the right way now? Yeah, terrific. Okay, are you gonna follow me? Terrific. And then whenever you go into wander state, are you just gonna like goober around a little bit? He's goobing it. Oh, I also made it so I can see enemy state now. Oh, wait, hold up, wait for him to change state, and I'll be able to see it. There we go. Look at him. Look at that.
Fire.
I added the debug option so that whenever they change state, if that's off, it'll go away, and if it's on, it'll show up, which is quite cool because you mentioned that it's like annoying.
Yes. Wait. Just
yes,
a
sure.
little bit, twin.
Okay, I think that's fine. Let me make sure that salmon works as well.
Ooh, Steam daily, the Steam page visits and impressions have arrived.
Whoa. I'm like trying to pick a single salmon to watch to make sure that it flips the correct direction.
We have not beaten lifetime Steam page visits though.
It's okay.
But that's okay. All we need is the wish list. Visits don't matter. Twin.
This is true. Yeah, visits don't matter at all ever.
This is true, actually. Actually,
not true.
Not true, but
that's not true in the slightest.
Matters slightly less.
What else would I use this? What the fuck did I just try to say? Oh my god.
Switch integration on the roadmap?
Between
I don't know, actually. That's a good question. Maybe someday.
The answer is no, it's not on the roadmap.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Yeah, he goes, I don't know if that's like, I don't know if it is. No, it's not. Should it be is the question.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Probably not, at least to start
what would
out,
be
maybe later.
What would be some sort of like things that would be integrated? Like, what could we integrate? Because I can't even think of what it would be.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm like really thinking of like what would be a good integration for that. Because you wouldn't want it to just be like, give the streamer an item based on who's saying this in chat, or like anything like that. You could make it something just purely visual and make it so that like enemies have like names on them or something, but I don't know. I don't know what the integration part would be.
Biddy, how do you do the thing with like the custom parameters on the card resource? I want to add the things for the summon.
You can look at the, I believe it's called pistolability.gd.
Yeah.
Which should be changed. The section down at the bottom that is export group card properties. Those should be those guys.
So like some places
what are you scrolling for?
With it? I mean, I see that there's exports here. What do you do with them?
Yeah, that you put
oh,
that
you just
scene.
Put this and it just works.
Yeah, you do an export group and then the 2 exports, and then it'll just work. Yeah.
What? Okay.
Yeah, just to go to the scene that you just add export group, and then make those 2 exports. Save it, and then if you have the card, now it'll show up in the card.
Oh, well, I don't have the card yet, but although I might want to make these default to summon cards, but I guess.
What do you mean?
Well, I guess this is summon card ability. Never mind. So then that is fine.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Chat plays Dante's 9. Yeah, we can add integration so that every frame it will pick a recent message in Twitch chat to get the input.
That'll be kind of evil.
Makes the streamer's game harder based on votes like chaotic buffs and debuffs. Yeah, so I guess it would be more like a chat controls rather than like a chat integration. Like, Simple Flips did this before, I think.
I'm flipping it simply.
True.
Simply flipping it.
Is it this one? I think it's this video. This was for charity, by the way. You won't be able to tell that it's for charity because the title doesn't say for charity. But yeah, he has it so that people can donate, and it'll like activate codes in the game that will make certain things happen. Like, let's see if there's one. Yeah, like he has to play the game in first person right now because they donated to put him in first person mode. So stuff like that could be a thing. Wouldn't be terrible.
It's like forgetting how to code everything. That's probably a good thing. I'll have to figure it out.
Yeah, one thing I'll say before you get too far in that function, or sorry, I'll let you finish writing your thing. What am I tweeting? Oh my god, I'm just like fucking losing my mind out here. Mm-hmm.
I think that's really all I need right now for the base of this. I mean, there's obviously other stuff we can add later, but...
Can you check to see if the... Oh my god, what is it? The ready function exists inside a card ability? Because you might need to call super. I don't know what that code has.
No.
I don't think it does, but...
No, it doesn't.
Okay, sick.
I was looking, the projectile shooting component is actually only for enemies because it just automatically shoots at the player. Like the aim direction is always at the player, yeah. It's a little goofy like that.
Ah, I see.
Yeah. But that's
yeah,
okay.
that could probably be changed, honestly, though. You could probably just copy it and then make that like a variable called like.
But there's also like
target
other
or some
stuff that I
shit.
need to change too, because it needs to work with like the
Oh, yeah, it
scaling
also
stickers
uses-
and things like that.
It's also only using
Yeah,
this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
yeah, it's doing a lot of weird stuff. Honestly, I might just copy
is,
like
yeah.
the stuff from the pistol instead. That might be easier. What
Yeah.
all is in here? I know there's a bunch of stuff that I didn't write.
Just the shoot projectile function is the one that you should care about, I think.
Okay. Shoot projectile. Okay. How are we scaling this? I forget.
That's inside the projectile itself.
Oh. Huh?
Right?
Oh, because it passes in a card instance. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that works then. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, so like even the base projectile stuff, you should be able to just like
Yeah.
copy over. Like you wouldn't even need to make a new projectile, probably.
Yeah. That's what I was worried about, is because I couldn't remember how we did like the scaling and things like that. But if it's just the card instance, then that's really easy. I love when Biddy writes good code. Then I go in and write terrible code, and then he complains. It's like,
Yeah.
Actually, I might save this just as its own class and then make a new script specifically for the turret. Put up here, because this does not need to be summon card ability. So, detach, new, you should be auto turret, you extend, summon card ability, ready, you want to, hello? Oh, duh, I need a class name. Oh wait. Wait, what? Do I need a class name? What is this? Oh, okay. I don't know why I was saying that through.
It's probably you hadn't saved the class yet,
Yeah.
so it didn't like update it.
Something like that. I have no clue what he's talking about.
Yeah. It's okay. Flip this over, and then I'll do all of this shit. So I don't think this should be running every frame anymore. This should just be like only when it needs to. Oh god. Formatting. Okay, I need this to actually update the turn of flip to flip state. Yes. Yeah. So if these two aren't the same, then we should flip it. Okay, so hopefully that works. Let's find out. Oops, I inverted my if check because I'm a goober.
He's a goober.
Cause I'm a creep.
I'm a goober. Any such
What
cases.
the hell am I
win.
dashing for? You ever played Goober Dash?
Yeah, I forgot about Goober Dash.
It's really bad.
It's made in Godot
It's a
though.
real bad. Can I call set ease on a null value? What in the fuck are you talking about? Oh, you're so right, dude. This should be scale :x so that it's only scaling the
More like :3.
x-axis.
Sorry, my bad.
All right, bud. That's it. I'm getting the water bottle out.
No.
Yup. Oh, did you see the thing I posted to my server earlier, by the way?
No.
About Eric Barone, aka Concerned Ape.
Oh,
like
yes,
a-
I did. Never mind.
Ooh, I don't know how I feel about that. I'm gonna put this in super slow-mo so you can see this. So I made it tween now. And I changed it so it used a trans back tween. So if I go over here, whenever he finishes his attack, which will happen eventually, surely. Surely.
Mm-hmm.
You got it. Does like a little, he turns back. Does like a little squash over. I don't know how you feel about that.
No, I don't like it.
Okay. I can just change it to be
It's
like
okay.
a trans quad or a trans quint then.
It's not terrible. I do think making it a little bit more like nappy probably isn't bad.
Yeah.
Which it looks like that's what
I
you're
agree.
doing.
That's why it's snappy right now.
Because people are complaining a little bit. I've seen a couple complaints that like when they flip, they can be really hard to see.
Yeah, they were literally talking about that like earlier in chat.
Yeah, that's true too. I knew that.
Yeah.
I read chat for sure.
Do you? Is that true?
No.
Chat, do we believe this? Tween gender. +2. You get a +2.
+2, more like. I'm not reading chat.
As I look over and read chat and see the message, JW is a furry.
On ready.
Fire and true.
Reload.
And true.
Why
are you on ready? What was that? Or is it dynamically loading its own code from a fucking text file? It's crazy. So I'm changing a couple things about the flip sprite. So rather than having a lerp amount, it has a tween time now. So you can set the tween time to be like the amount of time you want it to.
Okay.
You know. Oh, you know what? I can actually add this to the flying guy. Did we want the flying guy to have a flip sprite?
I thought he did.
No.
Maybe. I thought he just
No,
flipped
he
manually.
doesn't.
Maybe he doesn't. Maybe I'm stupid.
No, he doesn't flip at all.
I thought he did.
He has never flipped, ever.
Oh yeah, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, I can make him flip. I can just...
I mean, I don't think he really needs
Oh,
to since he's like kind of symmetrical, but whatever. You do you, twin. Not using the passive star theme is low-key a crime. This is true. This is true.
This isn't true.
+2, +2.
If the passive start theme becomes default, I will use it. But until then, I am using the default because I make videos sometimes, allegedly.
Yeah, I make videos. Yeah.
Yeah, I make videos
Alright.
sometimes, and those videos, I would rather them be the default theme so that people know and can expect.
Alright.
Also, I just don't feel like customizing it, I'll be honest. I really like the way the Godot theme just looks by default. Passive Star's theme is good. It feels a little Unreal or Unity, and it doesn't like Godot stands out a lot whenever you see someone using it. But like Unity and Unreal kind of blend together just a little bit. JW.
Oh.
Are you looking?
Yeah.
Watch this guy. Oh wait, he didn't do it. Why didn't he do it? There we go.
Yeah, I guess that would. Something's weird there.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
I'm worrying about it, twin.
Don't worry about it. I don't actually know what the fuck that was. Oh, because his fucking thing, whenever he flies, sets the scale. Right? Or something sets the scale somewhere. Yeah, this sets the scale. What if I can fix that? Fine. Nothing a few more nodes in between the enemy and their visuals can't fix. Let me do that thing that I was talking about. What's the start room called? Is it just called start room? Flesh start room. Hello.
Wait, why is that? Oh, I see.
Oh god, dude, he flips so fast. Dude, he's... Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Look at him go, dude. He's so fast with it. What the hell?
Like it. But I guess that works. It
Why is
definitely
he
makes
not
him maybe a
shooting?
little more like interactive.
Why is he not
You
shooting?
unlock
He's
him
just
by
sitting there.
flipping him constantly.
No, I don't know what the fuck he's doing. Am I like in a sweet spot or something? Is he just not... He's like attempting to dash, but he's like fucking it up. If I go over here, does he... Apparently, what did I do?
What did you do?
I don't know. He's gonna shoot now, but like... What the fuck? He's like... Yeah, oh, I bet... I know what happened.
Uh-oh, he knows
Because I went in here and I moved it down the tree. So
Oh, what a
something needs
silly
to be
guy.
updated. Yeah, these are upset. Couldn't find track. Why not, dude? I literally updated you in the Godot editor. You should know where this is. Get out of here. Go. Leave. Bye. Speaking of Godot. Speaking of Go, what if we remade the game using Go
What
so that
if
we can
we,
have
like-
a really cool mascot?
Oh wait, you might be cooking. I like wasn't sure at
Yeah,
first. And you were like,
Yeah, no. The Go mascot's like really good, so like you
It's,
guys
like,
should go
really
like
good,
check out
yeah.
the Go mascot. It's
yeah,
really,
this is
really
true.
good.
This is true. This is
Hey,
true.
Godot, I'm just curious. Why are you... What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck is this doing? This is how you decided to find that? So, the way that Godot decided to put the projectile shooting component reference in here is by grabbing the unique item hit flash component, going up a level from it, and then back down to the projectile shooting component, rather than just... What the fuck? Dude, look at him go. That's him. He's doing the thing. He's so fucking ugly, man.
He's like so ugly it's funny. Like he's so ugly
he's
that
so
he like wraps
ugly
around and stops
ugly.
being ugly. Yeah, because
Do you think there's a GD extension that adds
Golang?
Is Golang compiled? Is Golang compiled? Because if so, yes.
I have no clue.
Not asking you. I know you don't know. Don't worry. We've been here. You don't fucking know? Well, me neither. Go do research and tell us. Sorry, what are you calling? Oh, because this is relative to the animation player, which means you would go up one and then back down. Okay, word. I see. Up one and then back down, and then you are apparently incorrect. Reload. What the fuck is wrong with you, dude? Dot slash.
Google says yes. Google likes to lie.
Does Google say yes, or does Google's AI say yes? Because those are two very different things.
This is true.
What the fuck? Why is it doing this? Why are you grabbing the projectile shooting component relative to the hit flash component? What is wrong with you? You're done. You're done. You're no longer a unique name. I'm revoking your unique name. I'm sorry. It's just gone.
Looked into it more. Wikipedia says yes. All right.
Okay, sick. Okay, now we got a real reference.
We do got a real reference.
Dude, I'm so worried for the day that Wikipedia becomes...
Yeah, then we'll only have Reddit.
Dude, it's so sad that Reddit has turned into like somewhat of a bastion of like real humans.
It is, so it's like...
It's lame to have to say, yeah, I'm gonna go to Reddit to find my information. Like,
yeah, many such cases.
Sorry, where is... Oh, this is the reset animation. I was like, where's the question for... What the fuck? What animation am I editing? Because it's you, right? Oh my god. The root node is based off of the sprite. Fuck me. Okay, you're going to be upset about a lot of things in about 2 seconds, I think. Yep, there it is. Okay, I'm breaking everything. Nothing I can do about it.
Uh-oh. Just breaking everything. That.
What in the fuck is this? Sub viewport? What was this before? This was the health of the hit flash component, right? I thought that Godot would automatically update these references, but I guess not. Flash component. Position. Is that right? That looks right to me. God, I'm so glad that I at least know like somewhat of how this system works so that I can actually get it to run again. Okay, and you should only be based off of... Oh! Oh, you should not be doing that at all, actually. Why do you care about that? You shouldn't even know about that. I'm fixing that. You no longer know about that. Sorry, bud. Is this all aim reticle stuff? Okay, you're gone. And you are too. And you.
Oh, that's so cool. So the custom properties you can have on multiple inherited classes. So I have the summon card ability, which has custom properties, and then the auto turret, which extends the summon card ability, which also has custom properties.
Mm-hmm.
That's very
that
sick.
makes enough sense to me.
Yeah.
You can also set the if you go into the scene itself, where you have the properties exported.
Mm-hmm.
I have it set up in such a way that if the properties are not populated, then it will just use whatever's in the scene.
Okay, interesting.
Which is slightly annoying if you ever wanted to set it to 0. If you want to do that, good luck.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm actually really happy with that system, by the way.
No, it's very cool.
It like worked really, really well. It was really, really quick to set up too. Like, relatively speaking, it was like an evening.
Yeah. I want to figure out how to best way to set up duration for this, because I want it to do something similar to whatever the other duration cards are doing, because I think it'll last for a period of time. Like, I don't think it should last forever, but I'm not sure. I'll figure it out. Can't be that hard. Right? Yeah.
What is this doing? This was going up. Can you do me a favor? Can you go to flying fire projectile enemy.tscn?
Yeah.
And then can you go to the animation player that's on there?
Yep.
Go to the reset. Okay, you gotta. Can you make that larger, like tall, and then also reveal the names?
Reveal the names?
Yeah, so like where your timeline thing is, yeah, you can click and drag the 2 arrows next to the right.
Oh.
Cursor's there. Yep, there. Drag that over. Okay, and then can you just take a screenshot and send that to me?
Screenshot.
Yep.
Of like this.
Yep. Or actually, sorry. Can you take it of like the entire bottom half of the editor, like including the scene tree?
The editor. Okay.
Yeah. That should be fine. Yeah. I just have to convert them to point to the correct nodes, because currently the flapping animation is pointing to the brood visual, which is not correct.
I see.
All right, thank you, Twin.
My pleasure, Twin.
Okay, let's open this fucking link. And then... Alright, so... This reset should be pointing out... I see. Yeah, you're a problem. You should be pointing here.
Okay, I think we've hit almost 20,000 views today on the Salmon Storm, which I think is more than I had initially. I don't know why it just randomly decided to blow up again.
It was kind of crazy though.
But I'm not complaining.
Yeah. Okay, this was the scale to hit.
And that's good to know that just because a video does well and then doesn't get too many views after doesn't mean it can't happen again. Because I have no idea how like the TikTok algorithm works whatsoever, so. What am I doing here?
I'm actually a little disappointed in Godot for not automatically like editing this to use the new whatevers.
Yeah, the new whatevers.
Like the correct references. You don't actually call the shoot animation anymore, do you? I think, yeah, you just call attack.do attack. So let's find out if this crashes. The answer is maybe. I guess it wouldn't crash, would it? It was just like, oh, it did crash. Damn, that's kind of cool.
Whoa.
I don't know when the fuck you got destroyed, but you did. Question. Do you think all enemies are going to have an attack?
No.
No. Mm-mm.
Why?
Just curious if there's a way that I can. Oh, that guy looks so weird when he's facing the other way. I'm not used to that.
Who? Which one?
The flying guy.
Oh.
It looks so weird.
Yeah, it does look a little weird.
But it, like, doesn't. It like makes sense, but it looks like
Mhm.
weird. I don't know how to describe it.
Yeah, I like it actually.
I could also make him. I can make these instead of ease out. They could be an ease in out. So it's like a flipsy doodles. You know what I'm talking about?
I think it looks fine how it is.
Probably does. Yeah. I'm just curious what an ease in out would look like.
Maybe he is addicted to easing functions.
Functions?
I don't know, whatever you call them.
Tweens?
Tweens, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing.
Excuse me.
Oh,
I
okay.
died during that one.
Nice.
My fault. My fault, gang.
Sorry, gang.
Sorry, gang. Oh yeah, I guess this should be here.
Is it bad to check for, like, find all the enemies every frame? I want to find, like, enemies within the range of the turret.
No, but
I feel like that could be
well, how are you
done,
gonna?
but, I'm
So-
planning to have an area, and then that's going to look for
Okay.
enemies, and then
Yeah.
it's gonna loop
That's
through
fine.
all of those, and then be like, is this guy behind a wall? And then it
Yeah, that's
picks
fine.
whichever one's closest that isn't behind a wall, and then shoots. Or actually, it would move the aim, like, to that
Yeah.
position.
Give it
and
just
shoot.
the aim.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say that's not bad.
Yeah.
Especially if you're using like the built-in, just like the area 2D.
Yeah. And then I think also I could probably have
You
an
can make it only
indicator.
check whenever it needs to attack. As well.
That's a
Like-
good point. Yeah.
I mean, you could also just have it track. I mean, it does. It literally isn't going to matter. If it
Okay.
matters, I'll
Yeah.
come back and optimize it.
Because yeah, I just wasn't sure if like doing that every frame could be an issue, but yeah,
No.
probably not.
It's not going to be.
Because
Our
yeah,
issue
it's
is
not
going to
like
be with rendering.
physics or rendering, which are like the main
Yeah.
issues, I think.
Yeah, so long
Okay.
as you make it like a circle and not
Mhm.
like
Yeah.
a manually created circle out of a convex polygon, we should be fine.
Okay. Yeah, I just never know like what runs well and what doesn't for the most part.
Area detections are usually really, really simple. Like, if you were to use an area to detect enemies, I believe that would be faster than looping over all of the enemies and finding out if they're within your distance, solely because the physics server is already going to calculate that, and that's in
Okay.
C++ land, where everything is just like
Okay, that's cool.
1.5 gajillion times faster.
Yeah, because I think I'll have an indicator for like the range of it, and I will have it scale based on the size as well.
Hmm.
So if you put a size sticker on it, it'll increase the range.
We should be a little careful with that, making there be a range indicator, because the turret doesn't necessarily need that, because the reason you have indicators is for player information. So like with the soul projector, it makes sense because
Yeah.
um,
My
it's like
thought.
this is the area that you get
Mhm.
affected. But for a thing like the turret, maybe only when you place it down, it should do like a little circle,
That's
and
a
then
good
it should
idea.
go away because
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
'cause
my
it's
main
like
thought
the
was
enemy
like so
isn't
that
going
way
to
you
do anything with
know
that.
if you put a side sticker on it, it upgrades the area.
Mm-hmm.
Because I think
Yeah.
that's not super clear immediately. But I think that's okay as long as they figure it out once they place it.
Yeah. So yeah, I think having it be a like an area that just kind of like pops in for like a moment
Yeah.
would be
That's
fine enough.
Okay. So now we need a sprite 2D. You'll be the range in
And then this will also
gradient texture.
based.
So when
Why
the
does
Salmon
this care
Storm
about
buff update
sticks?
releasing, you will never get a Salmon Storm
Never.
buff.
Never.
Okay, maybe that's not true. Just put stickers on it. Automatically makes it better. Twin.
That's like kind of true.
It literally is true. Road is
Okay, what was I
not
doing today? I was
interact
gonna
with
make
the
enemies,
sticker
but I just moved
system.
shit around.
Yeah, that's okay.
Um,
That's like what I do most of the time, so you're fine.
Let me think about this. What do I want to change now?
I don't know.
Ground guy. Oh, yeah. Did I ever make the ground guy fall through the fucking ground? Like drop through platforms? Or did I just like find out
You
that there
just
was a bug
imagined
and then
that
went
in
and
your
fixed it?
head.
I think I did. I think that's what it was. TP to room, add sword. Oh, because I fucking set the start scene to start room and not level. Oh, I think there's something I'm fairly certain they're adding next update, which is if you're editing a scene, you can right click on the name in the top and then select like set main scene, which is terrific.
It is terrific.
That's terrific. Okay, there we go. TP to room 1. Hello. Hello, room 1. Add card, not add card. Spawn dickhead. Give dickhead. Up. Can you fall down? You cannot fall down. Okay. That's fine. Fire. Round. Round. Enemy. Fire. There we go. One of these days, I'm gonna change the names of those scenes to be like meaningful names.
Yeah. Today is not that
Or at
day.
least make them consistent with each other.
Okay.
Oh, I accidentally started the room. I didn't want to do that. Oops, jeez. I need you to do this. Wait, does this extend enemy state? Oh my god, this does. Wait, do all of these extend enemy state? I should totally make a function in here that's like... that just sets the drop through information. Imagine if I did that. That'd be so smart. I think all three of these are doing the exact same thing. Yeah. Well, not you.
Are we finally eating the furry noodle? No.
What the fuck? Please don't talk about Vor in my chat. Thank you.
Okay.
Sorry. My fault.
This is your fault.
Yeah. So what do you mean are we eating the furry noodle? What does this mean?
I don't know.
What would this be called? Update drop through, perhaps? Maybe? And then I can do this and say yo dog. Oh no, I guess like update. Well, yeah, fuck it, I'll call it out. Whatever, who cares? I don't care. Scolding him? What do you mean? I would never in my entire life, if I was going to scold someone, refer to that as eating them. Like, ever. God, I love Caves of Cod. I love Caves of Cod. I'll probably end up making or I'll probably end up starting a roguelike project at some point whenever I'm done with Dante 9.
Brother, you are making a roguelike project.
No, like a real one, you know?
What do you mean a real
like
one?
a real roguelike.
What do you mean
like a real
one?
roguelike? Not like this shit, whatever the fuck this
Hey.
thing is.
Hey!
What?
Okay.
Yeah.
Meow. Sorry.
I thought. Oh.
My bad, gang.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No, it's whatever, man.
We're so
Who even
regular.
cares, dude? Who even cares, man?
Uh-oh. Oh, the excellent equipment. Silly me. You are a summon card, twin. Start summoning your card, twin.
Oh my god, does he work now? Bates. I need you to... Okay, this guy is like literally useless whenever I'm on this platform, and I don't... It's something we probably want to fix at some point. Also,
Or
you
just
should not be easing out. Flip.
Nope. I did something wrong.
Mm. Oh, hi, Callie. Come on, bye-bye. Yeah, come on. Hi.
Are you watching? Oh, watch this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, dude, he's got a hat. Holy shit. Oh, shit, dude. His hat is ethereal. Someone didn't update any of the collision masks or layers.
I forgot you have to do that.
Yeah, you should also lock the rotation, probably.
Yeah, that too. Lock rotation. And collision. I don't think we want you to be on a layer, do we?
Oh, shit. We do have a layer called player attacks. I don't know if that's something we want to keep. But it is a thing.
Yeah, that's for like the hitboxes, I think, or like the hurtboxes. I don't know.
Yeah. It is.
And the turret itself is not like a hurtbox. So. There we go.
Okay, cool. That guy runs back and forth now. Sick. And then he should also drop through platforms now. So if I stand up here with you... Oh, there he goes. I lied. Apparently. Didn't realize that. Apparently I lied. Oh yeah, no, he just always falls through platforms. That's kind of cool. Why? I thought that you're... What? Oh no, Master Liberty is spamming pause now.
Uh-oh.
Can also be used to mean get them, all depends on the context. In Titanfall, it can mean some jerk is playing Monarch and running battery execution, where you say eat them to tank damage. Lots of eating things when playing Titanfall on console.
Yeah, that's fair.
JW, can you confirm or deny these statements made by the utterly deranged?
Yeah, I mean, I haven't played Titanfall enough to really know, but I'd say sure.
This guy, like, preaches about Titanfall and he's never played it before. That's crazy.
Honestly, I think I played the campaign more than I had, like, the multiplayer. Because I'm just bad at it. I'm not bad at it, I just, like, am not good at it.
I'm not bad at it, I'm just, like, bad at it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Hey, dude, why did you fall through? You shouldn't be doing that. Collision mask. We're equaling in this. Should drop is greater than that. Oh wait, is this backwards? How the fuck does this work on the slime? What the hell? Set drop through. I want to drop through. This should be the other way around, but I also don't know how this is working ever.
You're wood tier, aren't you? I don't know what that means, twin.
Shit.
Yes.
That's what it means. It means you're
Yeah,
shit.
is that like the rank below stone?
Dude. Rivals of Aether 2 reference.
I love how there's a stone rank.
It's actually so great.
It's really funny.
There we go. Oh, what the fuck was that? What was that? Why did he do that? Something went wrong. And it was honestly pretty cool. And I don't know why. We don't have physics interpolation turned on anymore, do we?
Probably not. Why?
I hope not. Or I kind of hope we do, because that would be a really easy fix. Ah, fuck. Okay. I'm gonna write down the time and I'm gonna go back and look at that bug later.
Okay.
Although, actually, I'll pull it up on YouTube right now, just so it's not like... So you also know what happened.
Okay. Sure. Let's see it, twin.
Oh, that's my voice. Ew.
You.
Ew. Grody. So I put a slime on the screen. Let's see, where is he?
Slime.
Yeah, I spawned out a slime right here, and did I chat? So if you watch the slime, I dropped down at some point, apparently. Right here? Yeah, so he does some weird shit where when he lands, where is it? Show it to me. Oh, did it not show up on stream? Really? Okay,
Bro,
cool.
just
I
making
guess it
stuff
just
up.
No, I swear it happened on my screen. Oh yeah, there it was.
Where?
It just doesn't. So if you watch, whenever the moment he lands, there's like a bunch of particles that fly across the screen. I don't know if you saw it.
I didn't see it.
I'll let me put it in slow mo, and then I'll see if I can pause it on the right frame. I don't know where the fuck that frame was, but apparently it wasn't there. I'm hitting the frame by frame button, and I'm hoping that it. Oh, there we go. Right there. Do you see that?
I can't tell if that's the.
I can't either.
Those don't look like the.
They don't.
The impact particles.
It is very weird. I don't know who the fuck it belongs to because I don't think it's those guys.
It looks like it's almost like the spark particles.
I wonder if it could be that guy that just went off screen to the right there.
Oh, which guy?
Somehow. There's a fire ground guy that goes off screen right here.
Let's see it. Yeah, because it's at like the exact level that he's at, I think.
So then the new question is...
It could be something with like his like visibility rect. Could be like off.
Yeah, that's my thought. Is I'm like, these particles do not have their visibility rect at all.
Like most of them don't. Because I didn't know that was a thing you were supposed to do.
Wow. This guy also does not have a visibility rect at all. Oh, that's definitely wrong, but whatever, dude, you got it. Pop off. I'm sure it's rendering it weird because it's a particle system, but I think that's right. Okay, that works though. It's gonna be a fun bug to reproduce. Yeah, we're just gonna hope that it doesn't. We're gonna hope that it never shows up again. There was actually a bug for the longest time that was related to particles. The door particles would move upward, and that would cause a lot of issues because Godot really didn't like scaling and rotating particles. And so whenever the doors close, let me go ahead and show this. They have like these red particles on them. Those would actually go from a scale of 0, 0 to a scale of 1, 1 and also move up. And when that happened, that would just cause the particles to just stretch across the entire screen for like a frame or two. Still don't know why that happened, but we stopped scaling the particles. How many enemies are based on the furry noodle? None of them, I don't think. We should turn the worm boss into like a cat worm.
There you go.
Wait, he could be a tempura cat. Dude, the tempura cat could be a boss. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Okay, so ground enemy guy works now and moves around. What was I gonna do? I wanted to make this thing. I want to make this a little bit more modular, and I don't really know how. Hi, Callie. Hi, Billy. Just turn all the enemies into cats. That's true. That's actually so true. We should make all the enemies like mice and dogs so that to win you have to like beat up all the dogs as a cat. Actually, you know, I'm gonna rant for a second about society. Society's so fucked
Did
up.
you know that in
guys.
Chinese? Sorry.
Society's so fucked up because if someone's like, oh, I don't like cats, society's like, oh, that's fine. Yeah, no, that makes sense. Cats are just like, you know, whatever. It's fine. But the second you go, I don't like dogs, society goes, you're a fucking monster. How can you not like dogs? What do you mean you don't like dogs? And I think that either they are both reasonable or neither of them are.
Yeah.
It's like a lot of people that don't like cats, the reason they don't like cats is because they don't understand body language, and they don't want to receive the consent from the animal to receive petting. Because cats are consent-based creatures, you have to like make sure they want to be pet, or else they're gonna let you know they don't. But dogs are just like easy love. That's why I think that people don't like cats. Is because they don't feel like they don't feel like putting in the work. They just want the easy love. And honestly, a bit of a red flag if you don't like cats.
Where am I doing raycasts in code again?
Why are you doing a raycast?
I need to check
Oh,
if there's something between the enemy and the player, or and the turret.
Yes.
This is the easier way to do this.
You do have a component that you made a while back that I've been kind of working with called a raycast check.
Yes, that's right.
That does have a. No, you can just go. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Add new node. Raycast check.
Yeah.
Yep, and then set the mask for the enemy. Or yeah, sorry, the ground. Actually, I don't even think that's being used anymore.
You sure? Pretty sure it is.
The mask.
The mask?
Oh, it is. Okay. Yeah, it is.
That's what
I thought that it was
the
being.
mask is. Sorry.
Yeah, I thought that it was just using the the util thing because I have the ground mask in here, but I guess that uses the drop through. Whatever. Yeah. So that has a function that just takes it in 2 positions and it'll tell you if it hits the ground.
Hitbox. What's the hitbox?
Takes in a hitbox? It shouldn't take in a hitbox. Fuck. Taking a hit. I guess it takes in a hitbox.
That actually works fine because I'm getting the hitboxes.
No, you're not. You're getting the bodies, but
it's the same. Oh yeah, you're right.
They're not
so
the
I won't
same.
get overlapping areas.
Yeah, if you want to do that, you can do get overlapping areas.
Yeah.
You can also just use the function. If you wanted to use bodies, you could do get raycast. But yeah, I would probably recommend using the hitbox anyways, because you're going to need that anyways to do damage.
Well, I'm not directly dealing damage to them.
Oh, I guess that's true. That's fine. Just use the hitbox, yeah. Because then if we want like an enemy that spawns like things that can be shot at that have, I don't fucking know.
Yeah, that's fine.
Or if there's enemies that aren't like character bodies or whatever.
So we want to store.
Cats tend to like me because I tend to be indifferent to their presence. They seem to appreciate not being randomly grabbed. Yeah. That's why a lot of, like, cats hate children, is because children just, like, they're like, oh, I pet my dog. I can pet this thing, too. And it's like, no, you can't. You gotta, like, you gotta have a conversation first. Like, me and my cat have a lot of conversations. Like, whenever I take her out on walks at night.
Talks to his cat.
Mm-hmm. What am I doing? I'm just kind of like sitting here, like scrolling through code. Okay, we're back to this. Yeah. All right, lock in. First count is 3. Because this sets the shine interval count and spread from the enemy down to the attack, but I don't. That's like fine-ish. Oh, this also does that. Okay, that's fine, I guess, mostly. Yeah, okay. And then I also want to change this, because this has an export var, which is not what I want to do. I want to change this to be a thing that whenever this enters... That works, I think.
Okay, I think this might actually work.
Yay.
Maybe. I don't know.
This grabs this. This will also grab this here. Instead of being an export variable, because I hate having to export this. Also, you should be below this. Also, why the fuck are you an on-ready? In what fucking world are you an on-ready? No, bad. Very bad. You are an export var. You have been promoted. Why are you an export var, actually? Are you doing anything? You ain't doing shit, dude. Get out of here. You're dead. Goodbye. Air attack, range armor. Well...
Okay, so
how long have y'all been working on this game? I have been working on it for about 8 months now. He has been working on it for about 1.5 years. He's the artist. I am program.
I am program.
I am program. Support generic attack aim state. This is a generic attack aim state. What the fuck are you talking about, dude? This literally is as generic as possible. Why did I write this? Huh? Why did it crash?
Oh.
You didn't assign an export variable, right?
It's always this littlest thing.
It's always, dude.
Call it bitlytic the way it's the littlest thing.
What does that even fucking mean, dude?
It means you're little guy.
I'm not.
You literally are.
Dude, I don't get it, man. Who the fuck are you? Oh.
Bro, it's like 5'3".
I'm literally not. I would enjoy being shorter. I think that'd be cool. I said it. Oh, enemy attack state is probably what I want this to be called. Duh. Enemy attack state. Where Yeah. Yeah. You don't have a whole lot of common states, do you? No. I'm going to put this into a subfolder called state. And this is going to be the beginning of the generic enemy code. What's up?
That I think, something's not working here. It's only picking up the worm for some reason. I don't know why. This guy's not getting picked up. When the worm shows up, it picks him up.
Can you show me the...
Might be because
where are
I'm
you
doing
where are you doing no enemy? Or like where are you printing it?
Here.
Yeah, so I would say break that if you want to find out why, like break it down into different things, like find out what enemies it's seeing, because it could be a get overlapping areas issue, or it could be a raycast check issue.
I think it's the overlapping areas.
Well, there's an easy way to check that. Put a print statement that shows all the enemies that are
Change it
there.
to get overlapping bodies.
No, that's not going to work. Okay. Being big can be great. Sometimes you just want to be little. No, really. Oh, is that why the furry noodle gets upset when you pet them without talking to them first? That makes a lot more sense. They are simply paranoid.
What does include area do?
Hmm? Include areas?
Yeah.
So if include areas,
that's not what I want.
Yeah, don't worry about it. You can just do an if check on it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so include areas is if you want it to fail on areas that are collided with.
Okay.
By default, you want it to just be false because the ground is not an area. The ground is a collision body thing. Static body.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if JW's ever been pet. I don't even know if JW's ever been hugged, to be honest with you.
Wow, okay.
Have your parents hugged you, JW?
Yeah.
When's the last time?
No, probably today.
Probably today.
That doesn't work either. Twin. Oh, did I set the wrong layer? Maybe that's why.
Also, like, it's insane that you're just printing that out. You can just print out the enemies that are being, like, overlapped.
Don't worry about it, Twin.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, I want detection areas. You are currently looking for enemy hitbox. Should be right. Yeah, now that I think about it, yeah, it probably should be areas.
What am I doing? Why am I sitting here and just, like, not doing anything? You, generic enemy attack state. Sick. Which means that I can go... Oh, I need to make the attack register as... This, you are not... You have a ready function? You don't. That's fine. You know what I'm doing after stream? I'm doing something real cool after stream.
You're playing Cogmind.
I'm playing Cogmind.
Okay, maybe it is working. I see, okay. I think I know what's happening. I don't know what's happening.
I have a pretty good idea what's happening.
I don't know what's happening.
Can you go to the 2D scene view? Can you zoom in? Okay, so okay, not that far, not that far. No, that's too many. That's too many fucking. What is the thing? Oh my god, I forgot the meme. Whatever.
Me when I put too much half and half in an old man's drink at like 6 a.m.
Yeah. Can you?
Yeah.
So here's what you can do if you want to debug this. Is go to script. Like go to the actual script. So it's obviously getting the correct enemies, right? And it looks like it's just failing on raycast checks, which means that it is hitting the ground whenever you don't expect it to. So likely wait, actually, can you go back to the script again? Closest is null. Oh god. Oh what the fuck are you doing? You are recalculating distance a lot.
No, I'm not.
Enemy.owner.
Because I want to I'm setting the target as the owner, which is like the base of the enemy. So this is the hitbox. This is the hitbox.
Yep. So why are you doing that?
So that way the target is the actual enemy.
Does that matter?
Potentially. I don't know. But I'd rather it be the actual enemy than the hitbox.
Well, if you want to do that, let's do a couple of things first. I'm going to put you on screen because we're going to do a little bit of code stuff. Yep. So, first thing is, so what you're doing here is you're seeing if we've already assigned closest, you check the distance from the enemy to your position, and then you compare that to the closest position to your position. Which means that every single time you're recalculating the distance, you don't need to. So what you would want to do is you would do like min distance or something, or closest distance or whatever. And then you would set that to infinity, because everything is guaranteed to be lower than that. And then you would check on line 51 if you want to kick down a new line. You don't have to remove that. Or actually, yeah, never mind, you should. Yeah, bring that out into a variable. Bring enemy.global position.distance too.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Because you're gonna have to reassign it. So just like, so do like var dist equals that. And then replace that there.
But I don't see where I'm reusing this.
Okay, and so now inside of the if check, whenever that is assigned, so whenever you do if dist whatever, you're gonna do min distance equals dist, because you're gonna have to. You want to keep track of the closest enemies, like distance.
Where am I putting this on?
So new line.
Here?
That's okay. Yep. Min distance equals dist.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
So yeah, you're starting it off as like infinite.
Yeah.
And then you can also get rid of that else statement now.
Yeah. Okay. That doesn't really change anything though, it just makes it nicer.
It makes it a little easier to like reason through, because it removes any sort of like, are there logic errors with our distance checking?
Yeah.
So now the question is it hitting the raycast on everything? So if you wanted to check if the raycast was hitting like the ground when it's not supposed to, you could bring the raycast check out into a different variable and then log that with the enemy as well.
Yeah.
And I think if you put actually, I don't know. Do enemies have their name? I believe they do. Like if you log them, because you could be able to do like you can do a comma and then pass in the enemy into that log call.
Yeah. There you can just hope it works. You know? Well, that's working.
Yeah, the ones that it was failing with a lot was the grounded guys whenever you had a level with a bunch of like steps and shit.
Yeah. Oh, that doesn't work. Yeah, it might have just been on some kind of logic error. Seems to be working fine now. Because it like wasn't working with the eyeballs earlier either too.
Yeah. It could have been.
It looks like it's working fine. So I'll say it's
Yippee.
working fine.
There was also the issue of the old code had like some optimization issues because you were recalculating the distance every single time you were checking when you already knew the distance to the closest enemy.
Yeah.
But that's like mostly minor. Let's see. What am I doing? Enemy attack state. You register yourself. Does this work? I actually don't know. I should find out. And I should also take my screen off of yours.
Yeah.
Give me my stream back. No one wants to watch that.
This is true.
Do you attack? Do you work? Oh shit. You do.
Whoa,
I'm actually like hella why the fuck does he work? He's not supposed to is the problem.
Oh.
Oh, because it's still doing the timeout. Okay, I see. Yeah, you should be on paper finished. I'm seriously about to make a util function to connect a signal, like, that does this check to see if it's connected.
I'm gonna take a break for just a second. I will be right back. Twin.
Alright, good luck. Yeah, so this should be fine. So this will connect to that, and then I also want to have the exit function disconnected. So if it is connected, we will disconnect. And then up here, actually, this is supposed to be an if not connected. So it should be console.print attack prepared. Right? Hopefully. This is actually, this won't work. He should stay in preparing forever, I think. Hopefully. If he doesn't, I'm going to be a little sad. Okay, cool. Yes. And the reason for that is because this thing is supposed to have a finished signal emission. So you, at the end of this, don't have any function call. Yeah, okay. We'll add a function call. There's not like a signal emission track, is there? No, that's okay. I'll actually have a function here called func finish prepare. or finish preparation, probably. Finish prep? No. Attack. Prepare to dot emit. So what this will do is we will have a function call here called finish preparation, so that at the end of this animation, this will emit the signal, which means this guy can leave the attack state, or leave to go into the attack state. So spawn enemy, this guy, so he should dash towards me, start attacking, or start preparing, and then attack. Nice. Sick. Although I guess that raises the question, is there really a difference between the attack or the preparation states? Kinda, I guess. I think they should be separated just for the fact that they're really not that different, to be honest. Oh, I guess... Sorry, I clicked on the wrong one. Also, I can have this use the new function that I made. Let me actually move this down. Let me look at what makes these functions different, because it's not a whole lot. It's kind of just like one of them is using the prepare signal and one of them is using the attack finish signal. So this attack state doesn't really care about anything going on here. It just wants to grab the attack. Listens for finished and then do attack. This updates the aim direction every frame. This one, I don't know why the fuck you care about stats. You shouldn't. You enter, you grab the attack, prepare the attack, you connect to that. The only difference is you're doing a null check on player, which I guess you shouldn't for now. If that ever becomes a null, we're having a larger issue than just that. Yeah, so these are like literally the exact same things. This should actually be not inlined like that. Yeah, literally the only difference is one of them isn't. Like, they're using different signals. That's not amazing. I would like to break these out into two different...
Okay, Twin, I'm back. I
I'll
was
go
sitting
back.
funny and my back's hurting. You can stop shrimping.
Damn.
Shrimp maxing.
Shrimp maxing. I'll probably call this enemy aim state. And you can have an export bar as a treat, which is lock aim, which is set to false by default. So if our aim is not locked, I want you to update your aim to the player. And then I guess same thing with you. These are literally the exact same state, except with a different signal. Yeah, honestly, the ground guy could probably use these two states as well, because they're generic enough. And then I'm curious, does the enemy slash extend enemy attack? You don't. You should. I actually feel really good about doing this. I've been wanting to go back and update some of these for like a long time, to be honest. Because this has been a very, not tech debt, but like gross implementation of things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, I think I can make I can get rid of this export in a second. But I can make this, since this extends enemy attack, I can grab the functions repair attack, which will play this animation, and the function do attack, which will actually do the attack.
Nope, I was on video vision this whole time. I'm evil.
Let's go, fire. Fire. How long is this whole time? Like while you rave, I'm assuming. Oh, okay. It'd be kind of funny if it was just like the entire stream.
Yeah,
actually.
that would be really funny. Definitely.
That'd be so funny. So haha, so hilarious.
So sweet.
Hi, what kind of game is this? Imagine Enter the Gungeon. But instead of top down, it's like side view, kind of like Terraria. And instead of grabbing guns, you grab cards. And those are your weapons upgrades and sort of like buffs.
Okay, why is it
and you play them in real time,
working?
and they augment how things work. So this is I'm using an op, and if I give myself mana, I can swap that out by equipping a different card, and then now I have this thing which spawns bees whenever it explodes. So those are kind of your weapons. There's also like different upgrades, like energy drink, which makes you attack faster, or certain things that you can spawn that give you like mana. Is this in front of the player? This is in front of the player. I don't know if it should
still
be.
Not working. Something's not working. As you can see.
Can I see? How can I see?
It's saying no enemy, no enemy, no enemy.
I see that you have the turret kind of like. Is the turret supposed to be aiming right now?
Yes, it's supposed to be aiming at
Okay.
the closest enemy currently.
Remove the raycast check and see if that changes anything.
Okay.
Like just the if check call.
Yeah.
Actually, don't think you'll need to tab it back.
Yeah.
Which is gross.
Let's win.
Ooh, card systems are cool. There aren't enough of them anymore. I'm so happy you have that opinion because it's like there are so many fucking card games. I don't know if I can agree with the opinion, but I'm happy that you have it because it helps. It helps us a lot.
They're all just like Slay the Spire, but
yeah.
like
This
that's
is not
my
Slay the
issue.
Spire. We use cards because it's something that you can recognize. It's something
Yeah,
that you
no, it's
know.
still not working.
Okay, it's not working.
Or is it?
And the
It might be that I'm just not calling it right, possibly. Oh, wait a second. I know exactly why it isn't working.
why isn't it
I
working?
should be able to just so put this in the wrong spot. Aim needs to be up here. There we go. Now it should work. Fire. So now it will always aim at the closest enemy. Let's see, can I add the recast check back in?
You don't have to highlight the whole line, by the way.
Looks like it is working. Oh.
Oh.
Maybe.
Yep, that's working. Yep, nope, that's working.
Maybe it didn't.
Yep.
Let me restart the game. Maybe it's not.
It does, but yeah, no, that's interesting.
Oh, also my cursor. Oh, it's back there. I thought my cursor disappeared. Someone did say.
Yeah, it disappears when you die.
Okay, someone mentioned or messaged me on TikTok saying that there was a bug where when they died, they couldn't click on the buttons. I'm assuming their cursor just disappeared. Do we still have the bug where like if you're selecting the card and things happen? My thought was that they were selecting a card as they died, like they were holding down to select a card.
That's a good question. I don't know, actually. Let me set the player to low HP and spawn in a dude. I'm fairly certain I fixed that bug to where.
Okay, I thought
if
you might
die,
have, but I was like, that's probably the most. Like...
When you're selecting a card, let me. We'll find out. Nope, still in slow motion. Oopsies.
Okay, now it's not working. I don't know what is. So yeah, there's something in the raycast, I think. I don't know why. Maybe.
Something weird with the raycast.
Okay, now what? Why are you aiming? There's nothing in your range. Hello? What are you doing?
Oh wait.
Is
can you go back to your
it
code?
backwards? Should it be if not raycast?
It is, yes. Yeah, because it means did it hit something.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, that's working. Yeah, okay. Sick. That's already cool, actually.
Yay! Yippee!
Oh, you're a web dev and you just started on the Ultimate Godot introduction tutorial video of YouTube. Any tips for a game dev beginner? What kind of project did you start with? Any resources? All right, everyone, tap the sign.
Tap the sign.
Say it with me now. Say it with me now. What is
challenge.
it? 20 game challenge. Yes. So here is 20 game challenge. 20 games challenge. GitLab.io. Basically, you go here to the challenge. And you start with Pong or Flappy Bird. These are simple games, but they teach you a specific part of the engine. And then you go down, and then you continue onward. You don't have to use these exact games, but this is like generally like the kind of building upon each game. And these will let you kind of focus on a specific part of the engine. And this is not, it's not bound to any engine. So if you want to take this and do this with Unity, if you want to do it with Bevy, if you want to do it with JavaScript code, you can do that. But these will like build on each of them. You don't have to go the entire way because at the end it says Minecraft or Portal. You don't got to do that. But it's like, you know, at some point you will start to feel confident in your ability. And that's kind of when you can be like, okay, I want to do something else. But that's just a general guideline because this will take the design aspect away and it's only on the development side of things. Maybe I should make a short about that so that I can like actually tap the sign. Big fan of taps the sign. What am I doing? I did something with enemies just now. You. I need you to do this. That would have been helpful several months ago. Yeah, many such cases, unfortunately. That kind of happens always. I love making some shit in Godot and like spending a lot of time only to find out that like the game engine just already has a solution for that.
Uh-oh.
Like JW's looping audio player thing that literally
That
just
I
exists
still
in
don't
Godot
know how
kind
it
of.
works because you haven't explained it.
It's fine. It's
It's not a big deal,
honestly
yeah.
a little weird, to be honest, but
Yeah.
um,
Yeah, I mean, you could probably even make like if you want to make like a custom node for it that just has it all set up where you just put in
yeah,
the
I
thing that
would.
you want to loop, and then it auto generates it.
Yeah, I would do that
Kind of
because
like what
I
we
wouldn't
have
want
now.
to set that up every single time. Yeah. Also, I would have probably, honestly, for the audio loop thing that you have now, how does this work again? Audio. Where is this at? The laser pointer has the audio loop layer. Why does this have? What was the purpose of this again? This thing has like an audio stream here, but then sometimes you added like children to it. What was the purpose
So
of
that way I
again?
could set like custom parameters for the audio streams, like making the range really big, because audio stream 2D does not inherit from audio stream, so I can't make audio streams.
Okay, I see.
Or
Yeah, yeah.
not audio stream.
So
audio stream player, sorry.
Yeah, so I think what I would have done for that, just as like a for future thing.
Yeah.
So you've got these set up here, which is cool.
Mm-hmm.
But you could have also had like a at export var like spatial, so that if this is
Yeah, that's something that I thought of doing,
you,
but
like,
I was
create
just
it in here.
lazy because
Yeah,
it's a lot
that's
easier
fine.
to just add 2D ones.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah, but then you later have to add in your own 2D ones and then make the range really large because that's like a weird workaround. So just like a for future thing. Let's see. So what? So this guy, I need you. Do this. You're gonna be like really fucking pissy, aren't you? I think. Well, no. Yeah. Let's see. When attack ends, he goes back to follow. And if he goes back to attack, then I want you to set this to X. That's a little weird to write, but it should be fine, hopefully. This might just work. That'd be sick. Oh, you crashed. It's fine. It doesn't matter that much. It doesn't hurt me that bad. Okay, and that's because you are an on E. So probably do this here actually. Fuck it. Opinions are ready. You're gonna crash? Oh shit, dude, you keep moving! Oh, that's sick. I didn't expect that. Dude, look at him go. He's moving and grooving. Damn. There he goes. Yeah, why are you doing that, man? First of all, lock aim should be true. Second of all, I'm thinking that while you are aiming, you should probably have your movement locked, if I had to take a guess. Oh, okay. Well, that doesn't. Mm-mm.
I wonder if this will work. Will this just shoot a projectile? Because if it does, that's actually going to be pretty sick. I'm on Biddy Vision. I'm no longer on Biddy Vision.
Why does that double slash
does not work. Oh, oops, I accidentally put the wrong scene in here. What is it, base projectile?
Yes, I think. Probably. If you want the... Oh, wait, yeah. It would be player projectile, I think, right?
Yeah. Well, that... I don't see if it works.
I don't know, probably. I don't think the script has been parsed yet, but
Yeah.
I don't know. Actually, no, the script has 100% been parsed. I just don't know if it'll be updated.
Oh, it's shooting. Well, look at that. It shoots. It does 0 damage because I didn't set the damage, but it shoots. And I should be able to set all the parameters.
Wait, couldn't you just update the card instance right now?
Probably, actually. Maybe not. How do you know it?
Oh,
Oh,
okay,
maybe
if it's not something that's just on the... Yeah, so the damage... I was assuming you'd be using the damage from, like, the card itself.
Well, because it's not
which is what you should be doing.
But it's not a attack card, so I can't change it. It's not an equipment, so we'll have to adjust that.
Oh.
That's fine if you want to
Yeah,
change
I mean,
it,
you can adjust that right now if you want. I'll just tell you what to do. It's the world's quickest change.
Okay,
go to
doesn't show you your
card
mouse until you...
Or sorry, go to cardres.gd. And then scroll up or control F for damage. Yeah. Can you on line 111 do a comma card type dot summon? There you go. Now you should be able to edit that from the card scene.
So kill you at equal to card damage.
Yep, and that should take into account like any damage upgrades and things.
Okay.
Cheap viewers, get the fuck out of here.
Viewers.
Get out of here.
And yeah, I guess it's fine to just have the damage, and if we don't use it, like, there's something wrong with just having it there.
Yeah.
But I think that's, like, most everything. Let me go ahead and, do projectile mod categories to see if that works. I'm curious what that will do.
Are you assigning the projectile you're spawning the card instance?
Oh, no. Yes, it should be, because I just copied it from the other things. Yeah, card instance, equal to card instance, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, actually, I probably only want one, to be honest. I don't remember how my own game works. Put on size. Let's go. And do a negative just for fun.
Oh, buddy. Oh, pal. First off, you're facing the wrong way. Second off, why are you vibrating? Why the fuck are you vibrating? Oh, he's not. Is it just the renderer? It is the renderer. Interesting. Oh, you know what I can do? Oh my god, flip sprite. Because there's so many things that are going to be using flip sprite now, I can actually just like... global... What is this, actually? Visual.
Okay, so that works.
Visual. Global. Position is equal to... Actually...
I realized that I should make the shot delay instead the card instance dot. The active cooldown?
Yes.
Okay. So that way it can
yes?
use the shoot faster stuff too.
Yes, it is active cooldown. So this guy is upset because... Why is this facing the wrong way? Actually, I'm actually a little confused. Oh, duh, because I was telling it to flip before, but now I can just have this flip based on the direction whenever the attack gets prepared, I guess. People might be getting... I'm just sitting here and I'm coding and I've tuned it out, but like my mind just came back into focus for a second, and there really is just an enemy in the background, just like ting, 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 like.
If you join my stream, I'll deal with that.
Yeah, but then you have to deal with whatever the fuck he's got going on over there, which is probably going to be Piku Niku soundtrack.
I don't actually have the Piku Niku soundtrack.
And like nothing else. You still haven't added that?
It's on this playlist. I have another one that I sometimes use.
Okay.
Hello? Bitlytic?
What's up?
Where did
good?
my porch go? I can't click. I can't click.
Are you stupid?
I'm clicking. There's nothing happening.
Okay, can you do me a favor? Can you hover over the card and read the description for me?
I hate this game.
Beverly said, Bitlytic, the fort's not working. Yeah, dude, because we implemented sticker limits. Dude, bro was so quick to blame me as if it was a bug. No, dude, that was something that we're fucking experimenting with right now.
Late. I haven't played Counter-Strike yet.
Oh my lord.
Bruh,
What?
my weekly's reset half an hour ago. I could have gotten a case.
Oh wow, I'm so sorry, man.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry, dude. I'm so sorry that you're not getting your case.
Wilson, are you in chat?
Wilson, save me, Wilson.
Save me, Wilson.
What in the fuck? Why does this say this is a safe run code and like... Whatever, dude. I don't care enough. I do care, actually. I care so much.
It shoots so fast that the knockback just hits them straight out. And the bounce does work as well.
Oh, okay. So you just made it work with like fucking everything. I guess that's fair.
Well, because it's the projectiles, it just automatically works
Yeah,
with
that's
everything.
Dude, imagine having a modular game.
I know. I am actually very happy with how well this works. Like, I thought this would take a lot to implement, but like, no, it took like a couple hours and I'm done.
Yeah, and the biggest part of that couple hours was why my raycast not working.
I mean,
hey dude,
yeah.
I just saw that you like turned around. Why did you what? Huh? What?
What?
Oh, dude, that actually like works so well that I'm fairly certain. Oh no, I couldn't. Oh no, I could. Wait, I totally could. Hold on. Wait. This would be really fucking cool if it works.
Oh, what's he
You?
scheming up today?
Oh, you don't matter. Oh my god, you don't matter. Because I can just do this, right? Like, you? And then just hit run. Does that work? That'd be kind of sick if it did. I won't lie to you. Oh, JW, look.
What did you do?
Flying guy is now using the fucking ground
What?
guy's slash.
I don't like that.
I don't either, but it's fun that it works. Which means that if I code this in the correct way, I could actually make it so that the brown guy could use the flying guy's fire, or like the whatever the fuck, the shooting.
I mean, try it. Could be fun. You never know.
Yeah. Who knows? Is this a movement driver? Is this like an actual movement driver? Enemy movement driver, extends movement driver, which does this shit. Do you have a ready function, buddy? You do. You call super. Dope. Do you have a ready function? You do. And you do also call super. You know what that means? That means that instead of exporting the fire movement driver, I can instead just grab that bitch. What do you need to do? You add knockback. This is a thing in like a base movement controller, right? He's trying something. Oh, you don't have a ready function. I didn't know that. Weird.
No ready function?
Oh no, you do have a ready function. You have a ready function. It's just like the base class. Super. That equals util get component enemy movement driver. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Alternative movement.
Okay. Why? Oh.
Oh, I think I could probably go here and do this. Let's find out if that works. I don't know if that will, but it'd be really cool if it did.
I don't know if that works. When?
Almost. Almost.
No.
It's because you have access to flying fire stats, which is a problem. How do I want to do that? I wonder. Hmm. Okay, I might actually change this to be an export variable. Shot spread, interval, and count. What if I just like select these for now?
I made the turret too good. I said I made the turret too good.
Oh no, why is that?
I'm trying to test it to see if it can take damage, but it keeps murdering everything before it can take damage.
What does this return if there isn't? If the property does not exist, this method returns null. That literally doesn't make sense. You cannot have a variant be null. That's like something that Godot themselves said, didn't they? Null.
Oh wait, I was so confused. I was like, why is it only
nil.
dealing 1 damage? But that's because the player only takes damage in increments of 1.
This is true. That will be an interesting thing to
I mean, that's
potentially
fine.
look at.
It's just that this guy's health will just have to work the same. It's also interesting because the damage numbers show up for this guy as well.
Yeah.
Which I guess is fine.
I mean, do you not want it to?
It's just a little weird when it's just 1, but like it's fine. I don't see like a big issue with it. But that does work.
I wonder if this will work. This would be like really cool if it did. Let's find out if we crash. Because it'd be kind of cool if we did. Wait, why are you yellow? Why are you upset? You're overshadowing an already declared variable at line 16 in the current class. Apparently that was already defined. Oh yeah, it was. I don't know why. These literally aren't being used anymore. Whatever, get out of here. Go on with your bum ass. So you know what enemy is, right? Like you know what enemy is. You don't need to do like owner is enemy base. You can just do if enemy. Or you don't even need to do if enemy. Whatever. If it have it crash. Whatever. See if I care.
That's crazy.
What's returning null? It shouldn't. I don't know if it's going to return null. It's the documentation for the method get, which is in any object, returns a variant, but it also says that it'll return null if that isn't present. But as far as I'm aware, typically variant values cannot be null in Godot. The only exception is if they are typed as nil, which is different than null.
What is it? I don't know how that works. So.
It is, yeah. Trying to assign value of type nil. Okay, yeah, there it is.
I don't know how Godot works. So.
Yeah, no, that's fine. So the problem with that is that returns slouch. Yeah, duck typing is like almost really cool. I just am not a huge fan of
Quack quack.
Yeah, pretty much. Like, I'm fairly certain if I did this would not work. I guess we'll find out, but maybe it'll automatically, like, maybe it'll type coercion it into a 0, which would be quite nice and cool. The answer is it doesn't. Yeah, value of type nil. So, then I would do. I can't like cast you in, can I?
Start is genuinely like OP.
Maybe that would work actually. Now that I'm thinking about that, I think that would work. Well, that should be the way it would work. Okay, it doesn't. I lied. Is there really no way to get if that property doesn't exist, this method returns null. You're a liar! You're a liar! Index. Yeah, there's not like a there's not like a has, right? Like there's not like a you have this method or this value. There's meta, there's method. And there's not like has just for any value, which is fine, I guess. Oh, it's because of in Godot we use in, don't we? Oh yeah, it is. Oh, whatever, dude. I'll do it for now. Actually, I kind of hate that. Whatever. This will not be a permanent thing. I'll be adding a note here that says "Yo, dog." Stop doing this eventually, please.
Why are these guys not taking damage from those projectiles?
Hmm?
They aren't taking damage from their projectiles. I think I have the layers right. Let me check. Or it's fine. Just do it here, isn't it easier? Oh, there we go.
So you should still work, right? Like you're gonna be happy dandy, just fine. Oh shit! Why'd you do that? Because I cast it to an int, so it did all 3 shots immediately. Don't do that ever again. All right, thank you. And then you. Oh, that's fucking cool. Wait, JW.
Hmm?
They're having role swap day at the office. You take a look at this.
What am I taking a look at?
They're having role swap day.
Oh, that just works.
It does, yeah.
Does it like work
Sick.
well?
It works
Like,
well, yeah. Oh, does it work well as in like, is this a good idea? No,
Okay. Yeah.
but it does work.
JD never has good ideas.
This is true. Like, dude, he aims and he fires. He takes his shot and it like works and it's sick. It's like actually really fucking cool. Sick. So yeah, that's probably how some of this stuff is probably how we're gonna do enemy stuff in the future. I'd like to readdress this at some point, but for now I will just leave it to do that says stop the typing. If it works, it works. It does works.
Does works.
It's actually so cool because the way I have it set up, I actually had on the ground guy, he had both a slash and a projectile component. And then on the flying guy, he had both a projectile component and a slash. But because of the ordering in the tree and the way that the component system works, since the later one was added afterwards, it took priority because it was like further up the stack. Very, very cool. Very, very neat. Let's see. Okay. So ground guy works. What did we want to do? Hops around, shoots bouncing fireballs. Okay, all right. Oh, it's fucking 10 o'clock. Never mind. I guess that's a Thursday stream thing. Probably. What's going on with you and how's things working
I'm doing
over there?
fine. This works. I just need to add like details and things like that, like when it dies.
I was gonna
things
add the
like
game
that,
feel.
so maybe I'll do
add the game
that
feel.
tomorrow.
Oh, yeah,
since
I wanted
that's
to-
like more fun to do. So I'm not just like
Yeah.
struggling through it. So I might call it there as well if you're getting tired.
Yeah, give me a sec. I gotta look for something though.
Uh-oh.
Can you show me the guy again?
Which
the
guy?
dude? The turret.
Turret. I mean, I just have it here in
Yeah.
my case, right?
No, like in game. Oh yeah, I guess that works too. I just wanted to like.
Turret. It's like not even close to the same thing.
Yeah.
It's
Well,
a
that one isn't.
turret that rotates. That's like
Hold on.
the only thing.
Hold on.
Okay, twin.
I'm gonna keep looking. There was one. What the fuck were they? It was something from Starbound, I think, that I'm thinking of.
That's crazy.
Let's take a look at the
Starbound in the
Starbound
big
wiki.
25.
Dude, this game was like almost so fucking amazing. This game would have gone fucking crazy, like, if Chucklefish didn't give up on it. There was
Chuckling
a
it officially.
test drive. Test drive is a quest, then at the outpost. Where the fuck? At the outpost, you're supposed to tell me where this goes. The mech test course. Is there not a fucking page on this? Test drive. That's great, dude. What about the mech test course? Mech test course. You don't have a fucking thing that shows it? Whatever, dude. This game is good, but like, it's
Alright,
fine.
bro.
I understand it.
This game
Yeah,
is
it's fine. I get
receives
it.
the name the worst game of the century.
That's not even remotely close. If that was true, I'd be like, oh, this game is good. Rainbow Six Siege. You ever heard of it?
Yeah, it's pretty goated.
Rainbow Six is genuinely like probably one of the worst games ever made.
This is not true.
Yo, guys, you're gonna play like a 30-minute match. 15 of those minutes, or like 10 of those minutes, are gonna be fucking droning. Congratulations.
Bro,
What is
hate
droning?
strategy.
You ask? What is droning? You ask. You roll around the map to find dickheads. But they like shoot your drones, and if they shoot your drones, you sit there and you watch other people roll around the map.
Brother has never
And then
heard of
you
strategy.
spawn, and if you didn't study the map, like outside, like on your free time, if you didn't study the map as if it was homework, surprise, you took a step to the right, and now your head is gone. That's Rainbow Six Siege.
Just- yeah, that is true. That last part is true.
Dude, spawn peeking is such a stupid.
It's kind of fun to
mechanic.
be on like the other end of it though.
Yeah, it's fun to be on a side where you get free kills. That's why people play Clarin. But like,
But like
it's not a
once
good
you get to
design.
a point, like you learn
Once you
where
get
all
to
the
a point.
windows are, and you watch the
Really?
windows, and then it goes
Okay.
the other way where you can shoot the guys in the windows.
Once you get to a point, then it's expected that the people outside will not get spawn peeked, so the people inside won't spawn peek. So it is literally only something that affects new players. Very good game design.
Well, also they have it disabled in casual. There's a reason for that, so that new players don't get
God
absolutely
forbid new
murdered.
players play ranked with each other. You worked at Ubisoft support, and the guy in charge of Rainbow Six Siege support played exclusively with a controller.
Also, I
Dude,
will say, as of recently, Siege has gone horribly downhill, and it's really bad. But,
that's
like, it used to be
insane
fun.
because whenever I played it, it had already gone downhill by virtue of being
It
created.
was still going
so-
downhill a bit, like when we played it, but it was better.
Dude, they should introduce AI to Rainbow Six Siege. That would make the game so much better.
Okay, we should.
For anyone who
probably
doesn't know,
stream.
that's sarcasm, and I actually hate AI.
This is
Just,
true.
letting you know, before someone thinks like, fuck, I can't watch
Billy
this
loves
anymore.
AI.
We hate AI around here, dude. I still can't get over Jimmy. Fucking someone joined my server, and Jimmy, one of my friends, one of JW's friends, someone was like, "Oh, Bitlytic hasn't uploaded in a while. What happened?" And Jimmy was like, "Oh yeah, he's working on an AI slop game with at Tempura Cat Games now." And the guy was just like, that's fucking stupid," and left. And I had to like message the guy and be like, "Hey, I'm not doing this because I like need people in my server. I'm doing this because I don't want people to think that I am an AI grifter. I fucking hate AI." And that guy was just joking. He actually ran someone off, dude.
I'm gonna kill him.
Yeah. By the way, we are at 963 outstanding wish lists.
Yep.
Okay.
So we just need 40
Yes,
tomorrow,
sir.
and we will hit our goal. So lock in.
Yeah, I'll maybe make it short or something.
Yeah, I'll
Alright,
try to do some
but yeah,
marketing
we
tomorrow as
will-
well, yeah.
Yeah, we will be back on Thursday. Make sure to wishlist the game, I guess. If you found these streams
true.
interesting, you can find a link to that. Does the description of my stream have a link to it?
It probably
actually?
doesn't, because you're evil.
That'd be so funny if I didn't.
I'm pretty sure mine does. I'm almost certain mine does.
Let's
Like
see.
100% does.
Oh shit, I do. Dude, it does have a fucking
Whoa,
wishlist.
the Bitlytic remembered
Yep.
to do something.
Yep. So if you look down in the description, there's a link to the Steam page. Go ahead and
There should be a
wishlist if you
description.
want.
There should be a
Hello,
description.
Eternal Lord. We are
on
about
my,
to end stream. I'm sorry.
Well,
But yeah.
we'll be
we
back
will-
Thursday.
Yeah, we will be back on Thursday at the same time, 6:30 p.m. EST. And we will likely have, I think Saturday, or not Saturday, Sunday, we will probably have everything that we want for this period, December to January 6th, whatever.
That's not Sunday.
Like the
Is it?
Yeah, well, Sunday's the 4th, and then 6th is the Tuesday, so that's like the end of it.
Okay.
I mean, we can make the thing to the 6th, but I was
Yeah,
like,
I mean,
we would,
yeah. So like by Sunday, we hopefully have most of it, and by Tuesday we can be publishing.
I do want to push an update to the playtest, like a final update before
Yeah.
we drop it for like the full whatever.
Yeah.
Just because there's a
we
couple
could probably
of like,
just
crashes.
add like a few of the things that we have from here that we're adding now.
And then we can also, because so much of it is like data driven, we can just like exclude certain things. But also like it doesn't matter. Like the rainy floor, we can just like say don't include that and it won't. So yeah. All right. Well, goodbye people. Good night. Thanks for stopping by.